You want to know, yes, my time. Yeah, our time. You understand? Pieces sound like place, big up teach them say, all right, don't play showcase. How much hour am I about? 6 or 7 hours, because you know the dub box is normal. You know, talk to me and teach them, another joke set it. You know what I mean? You want to go and big up to every sound I play before, and did this before. I want to go hard for follow though, I tell you the truth, that judgment I got drop. Remember.
Reach them! Always make sure the message I reach them.
Pieces in our place, you know the ground hot again, you know.
Pieces music, I want to take them full.
Ground hot again, man.
CC Ganja team, man.
Ground hot again.
Bury them. Why?
Ground hot again, man.
Why?
Right, son. Ground hot again.
The pieces in on the long.
Ground hot again. The pieces
in the long.
Teach them ground hot again. And just for the record, when I come for playing a long song, a quick and cut and move. Where's a quick cook? Cut and move. Ground hot.
Look my brother. Look what you see is going on.
Who is here?
I've been down. I've been through down, but it's down. The champion sound.
Me said
the rubber dam sound.
Why yo?
The dunk of the town. Pieces down. The E1 sound. Oh boy.
Remember say a cut and move, yeah? Cut and move.
Pieces on your rule.
Cut and move.
On your rule.
Touch some, sir.
And pieces on his natural tailoring good. He's all because 87. No hat, no boat, no foul. I ain't got no cigarette, but I got a few minutes.
Big up to everybody who know good music. But say a pieces on the ground. Cut and move. Watch out.
Turbo. Are we next best special request? The more big mess.
Go in. Sure.
So little Sambo, it's not your time to play. Lock off the Sambo and let the pieces play, cause you will fulfill.
Teach them to tell you a bad sound upon your platform. I'm here to tell you the truth. And I'm a long song neither, you know, cause I'm an album launch, you know. Play music and touch and go.
And the Mobile crew, the Seaback crew. This song dedicated.
Make sure you have a sound up, play enough song and go!
Can't find the reason why Papa Pieces sound so nice.
I said that.
I can't find the reason why Papa Pieces play so nice. Now I'm leaving your body. Is this real?
Big up to everybody in England, the whole UK. Make sure you share everything, you know.
Pieces are number
tonight.
Go chat to them skin, put them body in a bin. We clip the fish, them clean.
What day?
Pieces on the big, them off of the premises, cause them crown king. Down in the rain. Them they a dance and I shoot, them come for shoot. Select the over there, so yes, me ear say you're a fruit.
Big up the sound, them will play already. And that terrible thing I go on after this guy, I'm gonna step up the game.
And trophy them sound over Spanish.
Step up the game.
You know that pieces, a king face sound, I miss a piece.
Remember, I can't represent for Moby and I play two Moby artists on the platform. And I big up my Moby artists, them, you know. A white mice listen, I'm a general from Galtigo, you know. Talk you.
Pieces play the jukebox and we got search no more.
I be some
Pieces is the juke sound and need not search no more. Bless the dump.
I be some
one sounds like a wandering sheep on this Jaja's lane.
And I be some
with no one to love me. And with no one to care for me. And Jaish.
When you talk about Moby artists on the thing, you don't know the thing, alright? Now who we talk about now? Moby artists on the platform. Where you say go?
Turning the valley, falling long, just time. And I never ever quit. This is on a kill.
Jack you! Why yo?
In the valley and I never ever quit.
I can touch one more Moby artist. I'm a brother, my general, my boss, my uncle, my father, everything in that one. Yo, Major!
Pieces of them weak. Under the treatment. Sound boy weak. Under the treatment.
One more song, justice.
Them weak. Under the treatment. Sound boy weak. Under the treatment. Listen, it goes like this.
Why though?
Ruling the dance alone.
If I follow that one, really, I take up about 3 hours, so I can play a couple more fight and lift. But I feel like I can play every single song. I have too much. But guess what?
Pieces sound is gonna rise. Give John a blessing just to open them eyes.
Why?
Protect we from the iniquity guys. Once it sound nice, just give me strength to survive.
And then
on this fight, I want we see a one. And all the evil work.
You know, Mega Bantam, I can play one more. I'm a Jew,
This is most wanted. Slow down.
I know.
What them do? This piece is sounds funded on that now it's blank blunt, but man, ready to shoot them in your head. This bad man, then I'm crazy about that shed. Talk your mother, you are no gangster.
Music!
Tell life on bad man sound, this we gonna do.
Big up to everybody, Mr. Gangsta Beats is our thing, a pieces, bad sound on the ground.
Pieces.
Teach them.
It's a bad man sound and a bad man.
I go.
Alright. Crime. Big gun man rise for and make no nice. So this down pieces so they get the shot between the eyes. Right upon the line, the fast it just so realize them. Gunshot to them brain. Send it into an instant day.
When music I play, I say crazy music there. How much hour me have? How much hour me have, Fatherline?
Get it.
Hear this.
Made it try but could not test. This is Big Sam. No.
Jump.
Made it try but Froggy just threw them down. Yeah.
Come.
Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all his money.
Now care how much money they withdraw, them can't see it. Outside.
This is the crown. Now this is you play. How the world and soldier.
Okay, I play one of the great artists that pass away upon already, man. Rest in peace to that general. Me have to play him. I have to play him. What I'm saying?
For years, pieces never let us down. They turned the dance around, and now I have found no other sound. Through the years, pieces.
Now lie, it's serious, not joke, no, you know that sound juggling here. Teach them!
Get off, kill him. Come kill me now.
Watch ya!
I'm a murderer. Now they on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder. Your inside must be all.
Teach me a rock and yeah, so wait, that's so much song the man have that. You think I sang that?
Be the rest pieces.
Remember this.
Alright.
That sound here.
Hey, we're walking through this valley of tests. I'ma never lose a question on the sound contest.
I don't want to know up on the Far East with him, man. Yeah, my father on the Far East with him, man. I alone take up the whole of the time. I remember about 60 plus songs and the rhythms, and that is just a few. Big up to everybody, every sound, every selector, everybody who passed through the platform here already. You know, I teach them. What the name of the show? What the name of the program? What the name of the thing? Dubplate Showcase. So a Dubplate Showcase you go. Alright, seeing that a Dubplate Showcase you go. I'm going to play a Dubplate right now. Big up to everybody because you know crazy music there, you know.
PC sound.
Yeah, man.
In a class by itself.
Yes,
a big
man.
sound. Ladies and gentlemen. Big up. Oh,
who is here?
We come again. This is not a bedroom friend.
Them say Showcase. You haven't done them, son. Say,
I know that's
no, listen to me. I hear some people play Dubplate on the platform and me be frying like a fish shop or something. None of that kind of thing.
Sound.
Yeah?
In a
take time and fix up on the Dubplate them people.
Sound.
2026. Come now.
Big up. Oh, we come again.
Peace is never better.
Last time the man them said the double. Where's some Froggy? Big go.
I know that's good.
Again.
I know borrow. Someone knows what's going on.
The great Frankie Paul. Come now.
I know that's good. Someone knows borrow. Pieces know what's going on.
Hear this.
My love is warmer than a smile. My love is to every needing child. If anyone should ask you who's my true love, tell them my love.
No, listen. It's ever. Oh, up here.
Let my love shine through the world.
You have a thing name. Music. All the years some boy I talk about song, them not no song like that sound, I swear. I'm not ready for playing nothing, them not no song like that sound. Hear my quality of my song them. Come!
You see my days are cold without you, and I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can take no more piece of music. I got rid of them song for true, yeah. Say my days are cold without you, and I'm hurting while I'm with you. And my heart can take some more piece of music. I go play this one for you. Ladies, I don't know.
When I say I'm flying on the island, a business me meaning, I mean another joke thing, you understand me? A business me mean when I say me touchdown. Teach them, you say, make some boy know. So what?
Somebody over wasting my time. Trying to play pieces sound. Oh my Lord.
Why yo?
You really take us from the back of my mind.
Oi there. Mother, in town.
Just leave and sound behind.
Come on.
I know you're not the only one.
You see them a try craft up the thing from what your father like them things a joke thing. Let me tell you about that sound here. You see that sound here? Learn this part with.
There ain't no trick in the book. Pieces don't know. You laugh at him, but you're the puppy show. Some boy, you thought that he was nothing.
The way all the artists here shake up some people head space from what day. Bag of people are call us say, yo, I need a link for the artist. Them say, I can't find her. She gone in a church, she turned Christian. She's no more in the world like we. See her.
I've heard your song before in the area.
Shovel!
This is not a big one,
pieces. And started something I never thought would be. Pieces. I wish that you and I could meet again. No pieces. Cause
when you talk about Chevelle Franklin and everybody, you know what I mean? A couple in our box here. Fix them! Chevelle again!
No pieces of that sound, I'm afraid of no sound. And if I look at the bit of the sound, I come test. We just fling out the bliss.
Chevelle again!
No come crash! Chevelle Franklin.
Play some females.
Champion pieces, no ways up tonight.
I miss it.
Champion pieces, gonna make you feel alright.
A Chevelle Cutty ranks, you hear that?
We're not gonna take it easy. You won't get away tonight. The vibe that flowing through me.
I don't know what kick for you now.
Makes me feel so right. When you say you're full of dubplate, now it's a chance to show us your emotion. We've waited so long.
Check out some of the bass. Got it.
No business in a champion race. No man not trying to come strong your face. Sell on the fire, it go and go hold them place. They come a dance and know me full of fatness. Smart in the minute down.
Big up to everybody who know music. We can play one more female artist. We can play one more female. Nadine.
So I can see your funeral
don't take it slow. Jump on, you better run for cover.
Tell them,
I can see your funeral. Somewhere you're in danger. Piece of sound, don't take it slow. Jump on, you better run for cover. We're not.
Teach them the artists and me send them back a road. I saw you know sound power and selector power. Cause if you not bust no song in a music, you can't consider yourself one of the greats. You have to have the power for can bust song in a music. The artists are in pack up shop. I don't know why I'm doing a music. I'm a rise back pieces and rise back in career. A bag of sound I look for him right now for Vice that W. All who are here, my boss one more song in a music. Let me tell you something. That song here, our song.
Won't you want them tested pieces? No.
Orange chat man, eat food with singer.
No. Rat-tat-tat-tat, one more song, boy.
Remember our thing.
Peace of soldiers, giving thanks and praise unto the Most High. Emperor I, the Kings, I said first. Jah, Rastafari.
Yeah, when you see me go turn on at a serious thing, I'll go on.
Froggy Rock. Emperor I, the Selassie, guide and protect the items in.
Yes, sir.
Run things. Move from here now with your all bound the wrong song. Won't you want them tested pieces?
Big up the wall of Westman and people them. Joe!
No. Rat-tat-tat-tat, one more song, boy.
A piece is it. Hurry, chat, man.
Rat-tat-tat-tat, one more song, boy. Flap a piece is a dude.
Hear ya!
It's Hector Death, they call him. That's what we can do.
One more legend. One more legend. Watch out.
When I find myself in times of trouble, pieces comes and rescue me. Playing dubplate music, let it be.
And for the sound them are forward on the platform, remember, when you have your dub them and them up on the original studio one rhythm, sometimes the page might get copyright strike because sometimes the algorithm identify the rhythms and I say, wait, we know that track and the rhythm, they sound like the 45. So someone need for know for 5 songs. I know a certain song, you put them on certain different rhythms, so when the algorithm try and fight it, can't catch it. Like all I want ya. Like all I want ya.
No pass the line, no.
Style.
Enemies for pieces for the line. When it shifts into galaxy and into the star, we are very dangerous. Some pieces never lose no war. We told them that we are bad and we up apologize because turn them up us.
Teach them that I give some song for your platform.
No pass the line.
Some song for the platform. Come now.
Enemies for pieces for the line.
I'm gonna tell them I don't play a long song when I have juggle dub play. I play them 3 long. Here ya.
Teaching the youth about roots and culture. I tell them not to get the that's all I deal with.
Lord.
This is a messenger. Teaching the youth about
Roots and culture.
I tell them not to get the murder.
I be saying.
That's all I deal with. Oh Lord, my time
all the bus stuff gold.
I put them over the front. There's a time and a place for everything. Oh Lord.
Level me. Teach them you know the thing go. Big up and enough respect for invite us on the platform. Big up to all the promoters them worldwide that will be reaching out. Remember you know we can juggle and party and go straight party settings if we want. Or whenever bring back the sound for jiggy it out. I don't even fire links on them something there. A different thing with the pan. You understand me? I say, a bad people something. It's serious enough. I'm not joking now. I'm not joking now. So I bring back the sound in a different fashion. Set up the song them. Sure. Teach them. Remember.
Kings English sound got their eye on you pieces.
Juggle some song
Try to figure out how you play.
Look G.
I heard them say pieces in the talking down.
That's
and I
why.
gotta let them know.
Who is here?
Pieces, you're the center of attraction. Not them off the feet, the center of attraction.
I beat it. Pieces sound, I gonna turn the place.
Music.
They gonna win this race. Yeah. Now we have nothing in common.
Fatherland, big up yourself.
We are two different sounds.
Touchdown, youth.
I just love when pieces sound playing.
I know when we enjoy ourselves, time go fast. I know the time, sir.
Boys,
I'm in that joke
every
together.
day, day by day, they are getting stronger.
Go.
Place by place, assassinating all the others. I know where this will go. Pieces sound, we just better than slow down the place. Pieces sound, I gonna kick off your day.
Yeah, for me. I send a long song there in the summer. So here we go on right now. Here we go on.
I don't dedicate myself for the peace and sound. Lord God.
Come now.
So there is no sound.
Come now.
I promise myself for the
Magita pull up.
I don't dedicate myself for the peace and sound. Lord God.
Lucy.
So there is no sound. So there is no sound at all. So there is no sound to conquer pieces sound. Well, I said to pieces give the trophy for the many sounds he has killed. I said to pieces give the Grammy. You say that's on what God.
Sing my artist. I'm just saying
I'm gonna kick up and I wanna run up and down. Shoot them down for say pieces that can be. We kill up and get to number.
I'm gonna play my singer. See my singer, yeah.
You get them going.
See my singer, yeah.
It's a chorus line. Listen. It ain't a sound. Pieces and pieces. You never say you stay forever.
We ain't one
but if you must go, pieces will set you free. I know in time we play forever. Jump. So I will try to stop a sound from leaving. Cause in the long eye, no pieces will kill your sound. Sound boy, you'll get thrown down. Pieces that.
Okay, I'll play one more pieces artist them we have about 40, 50, 60 done with them.
Man, check pieces, man. Come watch out. We always have X amount.
Hear what I'm saying?
Time for waste.
Hear what I'm saying?
Too much starting.
Hear what I'm saying?
Some little guy going to talk about tune, but when it comes to singing melody, man, check pieces, man. Come watch out. We always have X amount of singing melody, man. Pieces of murder one.
Who is here?
Watch out, we can select the chord. Watch out. You tell me, man. Last time we talk about when we kill a soul boy. But listen to pieces sound all night long. It's not I want the whole thing back to make these rumors cross so I can confirm. So won't you pieces and let me get dangerous.
Come now.
We play good love, I've been rocking, knocking down so night long.
A surprise up on that one. I wait for the surprise.
Murdering sound till we tie to the break of dawn. But oh, come on, pieces sound and let me get dangerous.
Teach them here a surprise, yeah.
Where we killing some guy.
Lie, here a surprise, yeah.
I don't know, man. I'm a sing, sir. Me say, your body pretty like the flowers in a me garden. Blooming in the morning, I got a big garden. What if I get a top about say them a mention? Pieces, y'all, I own the money spend fun. Your body pretty like the flowers in a me garden. Blooming in the morning.
Remember that sound of me say me loaded song for days. How much hours make sense here? More than 4, more than 5. Artists.
So glad, yeah. I'm so glad I'm paying you.
How that up it around here?
Down, pieces just kill them off. I've watched you all these years, holding your head
Red
up
Cook, touchdown for sound in that place.
Wanting to kill another one.
When all them fellas around, they didn't pay you no mind.
I teach them platform on the pod here.
Twice, they must have been bad.
Watch ya.
But I could tell from the start, you had killing in your heart, and you wanted so much to let it go. Yeah, you needed more chance to show you moving down.
Pick up the whole UK, America, Canada, Caribbean.
Promoter running you down.
Remember,
pieces don't just kill them off, guys.
Yeah.
No mercy. Pieces right in the west.
From the western.
No guy can't test.
Joe.
All the West was one. I know it begun messing up, but they don't know I want this wicked man.
Say all the West was
one. I know it begun messing up, but they don't know I want this. Pieces them riding through the desert, we riding well mean. We no left in bring this the water in our canteen. We close look up this hell mess up look mean. Up on Corey get that pimp some people in. And if they got that twisted,
DJ, you can't tell them to fix up the number before they come by your platform. I want to go on.
All or not bad boy, moves.
You can't, hey.
I'll sing.
Bad people in concert. He shout.
One of these days, pieces get merciless and go to see any mother look off. Hey, rain or fly, I sing. It's just one of these days. Pieces get heartless and cold and pussy let the tackle lick off.
Hey,
rain or fly, then pieces follow. R.I.P. Rest in peace.
You kill him with this time. This one of why you see a dubplate. A gunshot and blade with gun.
Bitch, them know the one. Shabba.
Antigonians. The murder people we know we till night. All the murder people in a broad. Sound boy, is this the one? Have a gun. Cases live. Beat up the gun. We can kill him with this time. With this one of why you see a dubplate. A gunshot and blade with gun in the head. Case and shit from boy. Antigonians. The murder people we know we till night. All the murder people in a broad daylight. And boy, this a them again too bright. Tonight.
Shabba, give me some lyrics.
Feel like the name John Boston, one man on the earth. If you touch him and then you must get hurt. John Boston.
He's out. Shabba again.
Listen about that them.
Shabba again.
Them dead. When pieces are playing about that not low. Get lost.
What are we doing here? Razor.
Shabba. The pandem. You shot signing.
Shabba.
I want to prime the structure. I was a kid. Lot of mercy. And them bow down. You can't come up back. You repetition fancy you a big mouth.
Step on your boat.
You can't come up back. You repetition fancy you a big mouth. Like them to get gunshot.
You dead on. Try to disrespect pieces true.
Oh!
Jump on your dead, you dead. Hey boy, you say you believe in life after death. Hey Quarry, hey man.
Big up to the sound them. Promoters. Remember.
Jump on them dead. Try to disrespect you, you're dead. You never need to see tomorrow. Don't play it upon them, baby.
The singer.
Jump on your dead. Try to test the pieces, you're dead. You never need to see tomorrow. Don't play it upon them, baby.
We can play one more melody, watch it.
If you're ready,
hear them style.
Just tell me if you're ready now. What is that about? Hey, pieces.
I want to teach them a little machine that clap like. I tell you, come now.
Last night, you were so cold. You told me secrets of that. You never told me.
Yeah. My rum boss, my friend, Quenchade.
Golden can smile so bright. At night you don't need no light. And a piece is leading.
Oi!
And when you dance with me, slide the wine from the raisins and your charms on. I'm shining up on a piece is song. Pieces leading. play.
Yeah.
So don't let me out my pieces in the every day. Don't let
But tell us I do about 10 more songs in that, but we're not on a long song juggling today. We come for run some song and full up that. You have space for your hard drive. Jump.
We no wanna gun to kill a idiot sound. This is not need no knife, it takes selection life. Froggy no need no gun to kill a stink and sound. So now we don't need no knife, we take the sound boy like well. Pass me, Miss Scandalina. I make me kill out the jump and then he says, pass me, this Scandalina.
What they run a quick cook HQ and quick cook set. Like all the bad general settings today. Go Froggy settings and play some bad song on the ground. So we are the HQ now, we say quick cook. Remember that one, yeah?
Call it boy, you know, but
Deepos.
Boy different. I talk boy like pieces, but whole world know. In the skin kill people. Pass all the yellow dreadlock. Me ball, sound boy killing me ball. Sound boy killing, ding 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 ding. Sound boy killing me ball. Sound boy killing. 10 pieces, sound of me say man is play. When I ramp, when I joke, I me say I'm man no stick. What we do? Take a double my changer and it starts spin, 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 it a spin. Yes, it has spin, but to the team must rag a muffin. And me talk it a lot. Give them a
Gonna be down to the fucking mercy, you got your more than know the law allow. Original gangsters speaking now. Don't try to find out more than know the law allow, you know?
That's all the business.
I know your pieces, snakes them.
But DJ.
From the years some boy I eat and bleach and I feel like go from bout ya. From bout ya.
I know we
want them again and again. Them not fit for round shooter. Round shooter. This is where we gunman friend them. Don't condemn them. Give me the magazine and make the cocky times and them. Funeral and night biz the big come little later. Yo shooter. Yo from pussy wolf we get shot we a go shot it. But if boy skin fi get bun we a go bun it. Shot pussy wolf and we no care who will love it.
Song for days. Song for years. I'm here for tell you. That sound here. Teach them say no want a new song for the something. Just want some 90s juggling and some, you know what I mean, some foundation something and some something. So me I say, alright then. See that and that you go my boss.
But then comes the man sound around, the song called Pieces.
Remember I'm gonna start playing a song in the round and leave the warm up round.
I'm telling him I'm a step crash boy, come here, come kill.
I know when the first hour done, second hour fire. Second hour of fire.
Sound I go kill it.
Come now.
It's another night with Pieces sound. Pieces sound and the rude boy sound. You know we kill, we need that sound. But the sound can play up a sound. Pieces sound and the gangster sound.
Remember.
You know
Lyrics.
How can I forget? How can I?
So we are there now. We can't touch one of them bomb on the platform. Teach them we can't drop a bomb on the platform. But serious enough. Like how you go, sir.
Keep them talking. Oh, let them talk. Keep them talking.
Garnet shift.
Pieces. Keep them talking. Yeah. Keep them talking. Oh, let them talk. Keep them talking. Hey. Pieces gonna keep them talking. Now they're talking. Hey. We've got a lot more coming.
We can't drop one more.
Sign here, that's it, that glory above the heaven.
Father, Lord, we can't drop one more Garnet silk.
Master God, go with you on the road there. Say that, yeah, hear me, Garnet silk. Watch me. Dance on by. You dance on by. Oh,
touch me and touch them. Come now.
I am vexed. I can't be vexed.
Say that the pieces is
vexed.
Say
and I don't intend to deny it.
Oh, yeah.
No, pieces is vexed.
Touch them and teach them platform. What's in our house?
I know I just can't hide it. Hey, give me sound words. Say what you've said.
Say them already.
Touch down the first segment to teach them.
Watch me now, man.
Come now.
Dead now. Some of them are go dead now. Because them sound already dead now. Pieces sound a ninja, them dead now. Definitely.
Sure.
There you go.
Song.
Talking off your face. Like you want to come play me.
Enough artists.
Sound is gonna die, won't die till the night, boy. Shouldn't just a piece of sound. I felt in love with the pieces of the jump.
Big up, say I want to pass out my forward for play to them and I spend no time for the Come now.
Pieces come to execute all Eden. And as far as the old gangsters see up your friend enemy them. Shiddly bung bung dang pieces come to execute all Eden.
What's for some enough forward for playing a long song? Cause you don't know, multi-talented. Watch out!
Pieces, the number one sound, baby, for people. Pieces, the number one sound, playing till the place gets red. We are pieces, the number one sound, playing for.
But now stop playing them Richard Stevens there till him forward and give us some new one for play. Because I must say, wait, what? Father Stevens, I want a copy and paste.
Pieces is a sound everybody needs.
You know what? I'm in shirt good. So I can chop it up and paste it and send it to game. Still I work with them all one, I'm a boss.
No. Pieces running forever. Like this. Pieces is a sound everybody needs. You know that pieces sound them gonna leave. Pieces plays everything.
Okay, I'll play my artist now.
Yeah.
Come now.
It's the wickedest sound that I know. Pieces kill sounds in a row.
Take off a bass.
But I try to live my life in the best way I can.
Who is here?
Listen, the pieces sound.
I mean, I tell you.
And I try to do as much right.
First you have to mean that element.
Pieces is strong. Pieces is strong. Thanking you for guiding me through. Father, changing my.
It's Wayne Wonder. I'm a boss. I'm Mr.
Pieces you.
Okay, I'll play one more song from our artist, a singer.
Yes. Oh yes. Why did you say that it's over?
Why
Sound boy, pieces will have to dust yourself around. All that you are the Washington, bigger heads don't worry. Sound boy is in trouble. Yes. Listen, yeah, pieces start playing and don't put a sound in the
No long song.
Both in the time pieces come out. Yeah, we don't want upon a kiss.
No long
He's
song.
a Corey. Yes, light in person. Rhythm. It's a mal bump. Slide. Pieces sound. Sweetest little sound.
Them song are the first generation we the one of them. Yeah.
Pieces you and a little sound. Boy could never. Both in the time pieces come out. Yeah, we don't want upon a kiss. He's a Corey. Yes.
So only fake work.
Rhythm.
So
it's a
only
mal bump. Slide. Pieces sound. Sweetest little sound. All over town.
Song.
Pieces you and a little sound. Boy could never be friends. Just like time's played to
a champion pieces is killing a sound. So people come around to see the killing of the sound. A champion pieces is killing a sound.
Yo, teach them something a long song when I play for your platform. Song.
Just drop. Them want test pieces. You can't tell them become.
But they don't a long song for your platform. Now show you that sound and ramp with that sound. Teach them. Don't ramp with that sound. If you invite me upon the platform and say, forward, come play a song me I go play.
Every time.
A song me I go play.
Pieces again.
We're not in our taxi juggling now.
Listen.
On the platform.
Oh, I lift up my hands to pieces. Cause he made me strong. Pieces, you put food on my table. Yes, it did my heart to song. Pieces, I love you so.
Sing.
Pieces, I need you so.
So sing along. Hallelujah. On the platform. On the platform. Play some God song first. I'm gonna play some place first.
Okay.
Hi, go.
Lord, give me strength to face another day, to make it a long life road.
No long song on the platform, teach them.
Mickey Melody. Too cool, yeah, man. What's it? Pieces. It's like
pieces no love water one. We are tell the sound man them become.
I be say
Big Mac kill it man oh. But you say they blow your life like a storm. This is true I see.
I just
God alone.
Pieces. All Rasta man big up in the status every time. No business last in a swine. That's why we ball. Emperor Selassie I rules over all. Lion of Judah your name a be called. Them and them wicked them fire to fall.
Yo,
Pieces rules over all.
I want the name zoom in. Big up to all who represent for foreign Jamaica anyway. Let me tell you something. You see when the sound a touchdown.
if reality you want, let me hear you all out pieces.
When I say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I, Rastafari rule every time.
Man to go and thinking about I'ma say. If Shaman out them core light Washington, Coombsgate, Canterbury, Gullibang, Franca, I tell them,
why yo?
When I say tribute to Selassie I the great emperor.
Rastaman I strongest man. Come down on my mouth, come chat this one.
If reality you want, let me hear you all out pieces.
When I say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I,
now listen serious.
Man to go and thinking about I'ma say. If Shaman out them core light Washington, Coombsgate, Canterbury, Gullibang, Franca, I tell them,
hear me song them.
Well, I say tribute to Selassie I the great emperor who rule the whole world, him rule it entire. Selassie the greatest king we come out ever. Only king we go on battlefield with him soldier Selassie. Raise him rod, be a lightning and thunder. All ball it off and go in front of every Rasta. Rest them men no sit up with no warmonger. Who live in iniquity and a bag of hobby. If reality you
all who love the Almighty, yeah.
Bad up pieces and say them want to be play.
Oh!
God say we have mistake. Pieces, some say them a look but them never see it. Oh, shall inherit the earthy beat. Lord, God 10 commandment me a keep. Me worship and praise him only. Boss, Satan roll these guys like shame. Say them want to eat off the meat.
But one thing I have to tell you,
God.
This is for Mama.
Killer!
This is Mama, she's not in a good mood. The boss getting on my kitchen running out of food. Yeah, Papa can't find no hits.
That's how they are from the late part of the 80s. Run the whole 90s. Lock off the whole of the early 2000s and forward. Fatherline decides to break. Froggy decides to break and go turn artist. Transformer by the general until I get the phone call and say, time for rise back the machine. I say, I'm going to call teach them now and make him know what I go on. Teach them, I say, wait, you know me hear about that sound here? From the 90s, I want them on my platform. I say, you see that sound here from my baby? Can you tell about that sound here?
No, hear me. Well, Pieces a veteran from 19 no longer. Some little Larry come up one that man you know. Like this in no one foundation. Sing baby man, man a bad man from how long? From 1901. In my everything that is before Jane Conan. I said that's what them style and pick up pieces. But
no, the audience are forward, everything good.
Say it, people get know when we say long time. You know that you buy properly large.
I can't play when I'm a general.
I'll more be a crew.
Yo, I'm a cousin, you know.
Merciless again. Well, me sing, me big gun shine and beautiful. And we murder great and small. Anyway.
Yeah, look like you want to say. I wonder what I just say a while ago. A family man. Me for tell you. Big up to everybody. Hey, me say. Me have some song for play. And me have some song. Okay, notice me doing a new song called the boss say, keep it on a level. But you know, that sound is not normal when it come on to song. You understand? Big up to everybody on every platform. But you see that sound upon that platform, yeah? No facilities.
Oh, Lord of mercy. This is our run takes years, man. Lord of mercy.
None.
When you take the lead, make sure you can maintain it.
None.
Sound guy, pieces. Spirit testing your life. Oh, Lord of mercy. This is our run takes years, man. Lord of mercy. When you take the lead,
right, what's juggling?
Make sure you can maintain
teach
it.
them what's juggling now.
Sound guy, pieces. Spirit testing your lungs, that's so. Why nobody trying to speak? This is a gift. Spirit testing your lungs.
What's juggling now? What's juggling now? Not slow down.
This is a god of sound a sound tonight.
Not slow down. No slow down.
See, who better give them a seed about casket. Another song for
no slow down.
Coming a dance all about like people. And pieces put to them abroad. Hey,
yeah, yeah. Lucian a sizzler, yeah.
No matter get out of town before the showdown. Get out of town before the showdown. Get out of town. Peace is through the long way. Me have to wonder when the best piece is far.
Half of Max is that DJ.
Me have to wonder when the best piece is far. Sing again. Me have to wonder. When them best pieces.
Don't play a showcase. I'm gonna play the song at how much time? Our time still.
When them best pieces.
There's no show that's too late on the master. Need us be proud to turn the third from the part. So to on the road, come rise the judgment. I'm so wicked, we know.
Listen, some boy don't know what pieces do. So that
half a touch that one, yeah.
Them sound and go.
Road man,
hear this. Pieces is a trouble to a sound when me crashing on the dawn. Hey, I hear this. Let them mercy wine.
This is an early Bushman.
Oh,
early Bushman. From them 90s time. Now watch out.
Oh yes. Here's another song that wants to play. Here's another song that wants to play. We got something for the vibe to take a sound boy life. Here's another song that wants to say, oh, that they are the best. Playing up but we don't response because they don't stand the same.
Legalize everything is everything, you know? Go on, my big time.
Play some early Terror Fabulous.
Alright.
From the 90s.
What's up?
Fabulous.
We tell them, no retreat, no surrender. We not lose confidence. Please tell them, no retreat, no surrender. We not lose confidence. I'm powder.
Better chill larger. Yeah, I'm confident.
I'm gonna play some early Spragga bands.
Okay.
Before them fights Matthew in our big people.
Yeah, man.
Young Spragga.
Some fool. Only say a prayer to the Lord. Tell your family back fight. Everybody happy dead. I know why your life will die. Take you not secret. So you bring them no cry. You will be the in a big mansion in the sky. Shut him up. Shut him up. Shut him up. Shut him up. Long time that they believe it down the pit.
With him, let me man leader from the version.
I'm gonna play a Young Beanie Man now.
I'm mercy. Oh, Beanie now pretty.
Young Beanie, early shocking vibes Beanie.
Man, if you cross the bridge, beat is a left your life in a road. And if you come on the beach, worry I left your life in a pit. Boy, in a the dance hall, your blood run like river. And you will never play the pieces again. Mix me, who do play the song with it like 10 young is a madman.
Lord of it, Moses.
Okay, I play a young Bujo. I wait a minute. Remember the Gargamel, yeah?
It is sound clash time again. Beatles make we kill them, no. It is sound clash time again.
Froggy, take it out the girl in back. Down the mountain, Ace of Zulus. Jetpack, you go! Well, so now go dead and all the world me I tell. Pieces get the gun, send one I hell. This bad man in a minute to fell. Get bullet in a head, your mouth your brain hell well. See Froggy time and juggle past them like a bird. Your mother, you dead and all the world they are good. The pieces in a concert. Hey me tell the punk, if your bad well side correction, in a split of a second, you must get hurt your head. Stand out, you're not the mirror Lord.
The Beatles are coming out clap up that sound. Boost the wall. Hold it on me, mercy pieces.
We're going to the center.
Sing this.
Jump.
Over a pop. Pieces don't go to phone.
Now listen me now. I tell you something forward there for rinse some song, you know. And I'm not joking. I'm not playing a song. Teach them I'm not playing a song yet, dog. I'm going to play some big song and some nice song and some... You notice? I'm not going on a rubber dub type of song yet, you know. But just a... Hey, that's all you have sung in there.
Bad soul at all, man. Original pieces, man. Original song, just slogan and that listen.
Slogan, no worry, no. Come in, lizard, come here, yeah, sir.
Watch it, road boy. Stop crash.
That's all you have sung for years.
Oh.
Me now for...
Listen.
Take a search, me a search.
God bless the day I found you. Pieces I want to stay around you, yeah. And
teach them, but can't play one of the artists where you rate and love from the 1990s. Every interview you ask about him, here.
Yeah, you know, be able to kiss a petal puller. Them are fool. You know, made you too hard for learn like a fire. You know, push some more, you must get burned. A big fool. Tell them say too hard for learn. I take up pieces. Thing I go feed them cancel. You know, long. We in a bad boy business. For them whole big boot and barefoot trousers. You know, long. We in a bad boy business.
Why is a DJ?
Oh, well. In a
the pieces, so we a scalawa. Scalawa,
Silver cat bust upon chill and pop out your blood clot spine. Easy dance spoke silver.
Oh, no. This is ox them now. Ox them now. If no want to branch of them, then just come really charge on this with them. This is a body, these are permanently I believe. Your pussy or your woman, I'll see you again. But then if no want to branch of them,
back in 1993, when Beanie Man and Bunty Killer in the heights of war, you couldn't call Beanie name to Bunty and Bunty name to Beanie. Pieces are the only son who got studio to voice them together. In the same place run a Jaro and not even Jaro couldn't get it. Yeah, that show your power. Bring some artists going on another sound studio and them can't get the W voice. Now carry out them back. Let me show you something I'm talking about. Yeah.
I murder them, yeah. All the wicked man of 4 towers go man to go be a flag.
This is Bunty Killer and Beanie Man.
Pieces
from 93.
Yeah, I got your spine that feed I cap a shot in your heart, arena your eye.
Listen to voice them.
And you a spy your feed I. We suspect say you work with FBI. It's like in farm pieces you left the whole world like pie. But we can now a plus that multiply.
Teach them how I hear from the intro, yeah?
Yeah, you look a chink come out there, so you come like a little chink.
Yeah, the voice them.
Elephant task consider about you know to them to the elephant. The pieces girl them way if you know say if it was the only drunk on the moon prank on that chief for that say nice kind of rotten.
Yeah.
This is the wickedest to the wickedest way, man. Be the man and Bunty Killer upon them kids. I am a Bunty Killer. Come, yeah, me, man. People die, gunshot between them eye. Yeah, pieces don't like no batty guy and no spy. Is the quarry. Yeah, the more ask why no explanation. Gunshot. Around that is a lie. Yeah, you have some little boy you hide, but we're gonna hide the murder.
How you know?
Yeah. All the wicked man of 4 towers go man to go be a flanker. See you love.
Be the man, Bunty Killer, 1993. Come.
Yeah, I got your spine that feed I cap a shot in your heart, arena your eye pieces. I say, and you a spy you feed I. We suspect say you work with FBI. It's like in farm pieces you left the whole world like pie. But we can know a pure shot multiply. We a kill sound, we kill hands and me say down to a come a rally, jump to a fly pieces we not run.
Where my DJ be in there?
Booyaka, we shoot to bullseye. I say, I got your spine that feed I cap a shot in your heart, arena your eye pieces. We ask, how watch out. Pieces a sing which one of them we a go kill you much more. Jump and a go right and we just said yeah.
Yeah.
We know they do it.
Jesus.
Yeah, people.
Jump.
No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Some wanna know who they are deal with them, stop and check. No respect, disrespect in every aspect. Some don't know who they are chat to them, stop. Worry about it, how we got down them time, but they don't know.
Yeah, teach them.
Pussy feel pain, gunshot to leak like a rain. Son boy, me tell you some more pieces if you never know this. Might be a bad boy. Son proof. Pieces of murder pussy, me say we no give no blind. It no make sense a little pussy clean and dry. Select a suck pussy on a man a gay guy. Pieces bad boy just put on a gun and sing who fi pepper, who fi blind.
Wait there. Each them a ramp with a sound and me say, may I play some song? Cause the boss say want some 90s juggling. That means to say if your sound is a 2000 sound, you might not go get that interview here on a platform here. Believe me. Give thanks and praise to the Most High, cause you know the thing go. But from them go 90s and dubplate and yes pieces. Oh God. Oh God.
I never seen this before.
From you go 90s and pieces. Oh God.
I never seen this before.
Yo, what's up there?
I never see so many people beat down the friends because me, I told them it's a pieces of funny stealing. And pieces it up in
pull up.
I never seen before.
Look how me I juggle my sound comfortable. Me never kill up myself. Music for days. Come on.
I never see so many people beat down the friends because me, I told them it's a pieces of funny stealing.
Teach them something in a long song.
I'm a dead sound.
Lord of long song, teach them.
Lord of
another long song. Watch out.
Down in Soundboy hometown. Pieces sound is a killing sound. Yes, they say sound is a murdering sound. Where kill sounds a country and all over town.
Michael.
Pieces sound, yeah. Whoa,
Lick
yeah.
shot,
Oh, yeah, this is Michael Palmer. He knows about Pieces the most wanted. And don't know like big man like Froggy man like Father lied. Any sound test of a step aside. Boom shot. Show.
I'm a sound man. Sound.
Yeah, I'm a dead sound.
May I play a sound here from me a 14-year-old in my khaki clothes. My sound. Come.
Down in Soundboy hometown. Pieces sound, I could throw them down. Come pieces sound, I could talk of the town. No idiot sound, gonna test this sound. Cause them a dead sound. And pieces sound come from murder sound.
The reason why some sound can't bust in the music and me alone can just go select the artist. You know why?
Say sound boy, you better man up your fool. I want to know that a piece is rule. Cause anywhere we go, we have the musical tool. When I see the sound boy, that's
enough sound. Say enough of them, you a iron balloon. Say enough of them, iron balloon. I say one sound.
Iron balloon, you better pack up your fool. Iron balloon, you never been to good school. Iron balloon, me said that piece is rule. Iron balloon, that I know say you a fool. You a iron balloon sound. And so me say that you
teach them. I don't know if you remember them artists here. From Punish Town, over one part, over one place. Yo, Turbo Belly!
I do them some beat, that's why them have big pen we. If them have a rope alongside.
Judgment,
where is there? Pieces strike once again. Earthquake, pieces kill off.
Sound man, fix up on the dub and make them sound good. That me I say.
Mobile,
2026.
Yeah, I'll punch a large of Mobile, we are murdering the boy.
Let's scratch it up the feet in back.
Where is there? Where is there? Pieces strike once again.
I watch out me go mash up the men.
Judgment not the land. You know what I'm going to
teach them.
I told them can't beat me, that's why them have big pen we.
Teach them watch out me go mash up box now.
Big men from Rivers, Jungless, in Garden, in Canterbury.
Teach them watch out me go mash up box. Watch out.
Them here we can't beat with us, why them have been tied with. Then when we just say you know what's in my story. This is the damn shit and I ignore me. This is the leader in the sound.
Region, you want to hear the young bounty killer? Little bit. After I change his name to Bounty Killer. From Bounty Hunter. I don't know him, tell him story, I'ma believe him still. But if Metro Media did vice the dub plate for Monday, Pieces vice feed dub Tuesday.
Yeah man, the boy we are talking about dub, they don't know Pieces. I mean look at the good.
Yeah.
Them a talk, bow them at the most dope and a rock.
Hear what I say? Bounty tell the story, I'ma believe him story, cause him say Metro Media first get it. So if Metro Media did voice the Monday evening, me voice it Tuesday morning. Hear the voice.
Dub fi dub, your man and your mama Corey love. Oh God, lie down your granny in a club, me look and see.
Them time your bass Devin and the boss voice.
Pieces, look on the good body girl, them hold on the man. Yeah, talk about dub fi dub, look on the girl, them all them brown. Yeah man, black and brown, like some English phone, original.
Bounty killer
talk. Yeah man, terror fabulous, my friend. Oh God, Sabato, run that, make it reggae. Come and look on the boy, man, tell them say no pieces.
I need to compare my voice and Metro voice, but Bounty see them first. But me believe say if I them first and me go second.
I'm on the good body girl, myself. Them a talk, bow them a the most dope and a prop. Say them a the best set, I don't know we say. And we a go end them career, we a go murder them pieces, a go kill them. Them a talk, but don't fit up, tell them go dub them. Mama Corey and them girl.
Sometimes when the artists them not really remember what go on, I can't rank them still, cause pieces now, it's not a tone sound. Pieces is a mobile sound. So sometimes, we voice the dub and miss them for about a week or 3. So, it might have got somewhere here Metro played first. I never remember say me first him get. But killer, me nah blame your feet. If I say I'm Metro, I'm Metro. But if Metro get it Monday evening, me get it Tuesday morning. But you see that song here? That one here me first played. That song here me first played. And I'm a Bounty Killer neither, my artist. Big up everybody who know music. Hear that song here. Before everybody else, before the 45, before everything. Keep it up.
Say them a walk up and I run up them boat. One dubplate I go use and get that sound boy out. Say them a walk up and I run up them boat. One dub your pieces up on the board and I say them say that them a do. Some sound say them a done but we are profit.
Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp, teach them to ramp with me. But tell you say that sound here, it's not a joke sound. Hear me I say, but can't touch a next bad rhythm. Teach them if you notice how me I play comfortable because my sound have sung for days. Hear that rhythm I teach them. Say if you know rhythm.
Yeah.
Bigger boss, my go.
Well, if you only knew the blessing that pieces bring, you would never stay away.
Hear me up here comfortable.
And if you only see the table spread with enough rubber dub to spin, to the days.
Give them a 6-hour dub jungle.
When the door is open wide and pieces then bids you come, there is nothing you have to say.
Hear me dub them.
But just be wise and slip inside. And don't you be like some you're only dollar.
Different song, Sanchez, different song.
We'll meet you in the dance hall, in the bride.
We can't play one more medley. We can't play one more singer medley. Lucy. Rhythm.
Hurry up, hurry up. Get ready to go, song boy. Hurry up. Pieces of
different song.
It doesn't matter what to play on song boy. As long as you're not playing right, you will die tonight. So we don't try to play pieces sound and try to come take our crowd. You will get.
Yo, teach them some now playing a long song, but I don't care what song them doing it. All sound, I can't send a message.
We ready for them. We go flash it up and mash it up again. We ready for them. Pieces I go kill them again. Me say them back up and them gone.
What a sound of song. I'm a song them nice and clean and sweetie, man. That song of voice in the 80s. Hear it sound today.
Mr. Weeping and moaning, pieces in your ear, yeah.
Hear me say. I 80s them song of voice. So sound man, you don't have no excuse. Me no want hear no excuse. Fix up on the dub them. Cause somehow now come on people platform and I mean I hear shh. Can't hear no song and just be afraid me I hear. No excuses in 2026. If teach them reach out and say, make sure to the dub them nice.
They understand that they have a tango.
1988, 89, hear that dub here.
Come in by you cause pieces. Then that's the policies. What be massive?
Yeah.
Me no one. The fabulous ninja man.
Watch out!
Mr. Weeping and moaning, pieces in your ear, yeah. We are gonna pray for your sound boy. We try to test the hype, I'm at the pray. Pieces in what we roll the ear, yeah.
Singer just text me and say, hey boy, bother general, don't make me have to ban you from coming for it. Mr. Singer.
We're in a sound class play. Some step on the side. So the fools all them lurking. Wanna take pieces prize. Can't stop worry them muscling. Some say very alive. We have a big inch of take with oversized clip. Easy next I take your life, son boy. Busted. Who's only know we tilted.
When me talk, who expects, who want please. But can I tell you something? Tonight.
Who they care fit? Pieces let them wear it. I say who they care fit? Let them wear it. No pieces.
Some boy.
Call up with name behind the back. Oh, when them see we face to face, let them free it. Not some boy. Call up with name.
Decision, son you want to waste and I choose one. When the mind is done, you're in a we honor. The great bent and big, your 9-9 better planner. When son of the dead, boom, yes, so who know I go dead? Who know please back with word? He say who know wicked, let you know.
Teach them some no pieces, and not them sound so. I'm so big and nice. Yo, you know what I teach you.
Come again now, young Bobby, ups and downs.
You know now.
Give me thing no star. We press sugar, we no press people both. Hot chat to gunshot, split them in a pieces. In pieces with the leases.
What's me not get my song them yet, but me I go on.
Like leeches. DC, Curry, yo, want some
time.
Someone get gunshot.
Time is the master, you know.
Yo, Wild Bunch, yo, yes, Renegade, shower. Yo, Black Band, it's all about the gunshot power. Corey. Some boy can't come with them sad door.
He's a quarry anyway.
Ups and downs. Give me thing no star. We press trigger, we no press people both. Hot chat to some face. Down, so now be a jungle stage.
Yeah.
March for Brussels. One gunshot and sing up na the bed like a caterpillar. Them this face is a consign on the fella. We a shot bust, we a fly like full feather. As a dead motherfucker. Gunshot and sing up na the bed.
We can't play a shabba on it. Shabba.
Hey, with gun in here.
Shabba.
Every man have them gun. Beat them with them gun and this one them. Come now. Pistol whip, we get them the pistol whip. After the pistol.
Hear this. I don't think that joke thing, boy. I'm telling you already, you know. That sound and now also. Teach them. You know all the things there, right? I don't know joke thing I go on with that sound here, you know. Remember, I can't go show off, you know. I don't need to go show off, you know. I mean, just I say, a piece of sound, a play.
Now hear this. Original thing. Metal of my selector. Now hear this.
Everybody was lucky. Teach them, tell them.
Just rope riding. Let me tell you, this is sound, a number one sound.
Hear me now. Like, show off box time now. Show off box time now.
No ice cream, no ice cream, no ice cream sound.
Show off box time.
Don't want no ice cream sound, it's too soft for me.
Show off box time now. Show off.
What's this?
Show off.
The very first time that I hear your sweet sound, pieces of
show off.
Pieces broken, yeah.
Show off. Show off. Stop now. What's up?
So now you're crying to hurt it out, yes.
Some boy come on the teach them platform and run joke around here.
You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, then know yourself. Wasn't danger. So much danger. Underestimating pieces sound.
Original singing Sanchez.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Whoa.
Teach them.
Yeah. Pieces sound will play every time a sound can wait. They're only watching the sky. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Pieces are top of my land. Hey, let us stay young, let us stay forever. Don't want the powers, but we never say never. Sitting innocent with life with a sword.
Teach them, watch out.
Never.
She wanna learn, this is again. Time down round and be the world.
Watch out.
She wanna learn, this is again. Time down round and be the world. Come and say, I'm a talking out of my door and all them a church.
Easy sound and ever ready. Ever ready.
Play on my boss.
Oh, yeah. A stone boy is dying and the dance.
Teach them, no. Yo, when you look for and teach them and you see him make that face there, that face there like him smell something and smell with that mean face there, you know it's serious, you know. Teach them. Big up now, I'm going to tell you something. That sound is not no joke when you come on to big sack. Teach them. You know, teach them as they dub them clean. What's? How we dub them sound? Remember, you know. And nearly a year now, I take the old dub them and say we're going to bring back the sound and road and take my time and fix them. Teach them. Nothing but time. Here are quality dub.
Every time on pieces, lick up pieces.
It is a messy.
Yeah.
You what? Pieces I'm gonna play for you.
Jesus Christ.
Alright. I know a little sound to jump and sound. A jump and sound with
Father Sugar.
The pieces
you think of that here? Quick mix.
Pieces.
Quick mix.
Broken pieces, Lord. And sound more. Like me snow.
The most wanted.
Yeah.
Listen, go like this. Species. It's a day before you, and tomorrow.
You say your favorite. You say your favorite song in that, right?
Shall surely keep.
One of my favorite dub in a pieces box. Here.
Kill them. Oh,
here dub for sound.
Oh, yeah.
Froggy.
Body a sound white here and think I do be sharp. Body a sound white here and think I do be bounty now. Sound white dead in the dance. Dead here tonight. Dead in the dance. Them dead. Dead in the dance.
Give me a next legend who pass away. Give me a next dead artist, man. Next dead artist.
This is sound.
Stop
spreading rumors.
Classic.
So, spreading propaganda from pieces.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah. No, me I tell you, say, the way, yeah, man, there's a crossroad. Greece Road, the whole Casha Park, you know Casha Park with I record this from. So you know, hear me now. We can't play another song. Because sometimes, teach them sometime, some man forward on your platform and play some song when you check the ratio. That song them are really exclusive, plus them fry. I don't like that D. I have to know if I fix up on the thing them and make them sound and way bigger. So here what me I gonna do now. I feel like touch unlimited, all of them limited and leaded. Something that no other sound on the face of the globe. Now listen to me, when you zoom in, if you do zoom in, I can tell you that no sound on the face of the earth can play that combination. And none, not one. I remember this voice on a jar and jar no have none neither. So me can tell you, say, I saw me show my power. Remember we carry Beanie and Bunty go around there. The voice combination. And Chupa them run up and down behind Beanie and Bunty and couldn't get the combination. This is one of Ricky Chupa's artists. And him couldn't get the combination neither. Because money not stay that kind of way. And still, the money why they borrow and buy the dub, them never get it yet.
His foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord loved the gates of Zion more than all the dwellings of Jacob.
None!
Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God, Selah. I'll make mention of Rahab and Babylon with Ethiopia.
Listen!
Philistine Tyre. See Ethiopia? This man was born there. And I'm saying it shall be said, this and that man was born in her. The highest himself shall establish her.
No son of the Columbia.
Yeah! Rastafari.
Teach them clean out the wax.
Last year the first. Run it.
As I have spoken, son, what then?
Peace is ruling.
Have mercy.
Peace is
God said, Buju, no sound.
Ruling.
Come down.
Pieces are moving. Like fire we're burning.
No sound.
Have mercy. A son boy head is a turning. It's like them just not learning pieces.
Why is that singer?
I sound just did again.
Father Lad walking at Jaro Studios. Elbow gone and sneaking outside and said, give Buju the mic. And Buju say,
sounds fit dead. Pieces you're not safe, no lead.
His foundation is in the holy mountains.
No sound.
The Lord loved the gates of Zion more than all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God, Selah.
Remember me, I tell you, the bookings open and everything worldwide.
With Ethiopia,
never gonna left a passport in my pocket.
See Ethiopia? This man was born there. And I'm saying it shall be said, this and that man was born in her. The highest himself shall establish it.
Worldwide bookings.
Yeah.
Ready.
Rastafari.
Ready.
He's last year the first.
Come now.
Run it.
As I have spoken, son boy dead.
Pieces is a ruling.
Have mercy.
Pieces are ruling.
What?
Oh, wicked son.
Ruling.
You know them.
Quick cook, tell them.
Pieces is a ruling. Like fire we're burning.
Have mercy.
A son boy head is a turning. It's like them just not learning pieces. I said that sound just did again. Pieces of
sounds fit dead. Pieces you're not safe, no lead. Gunshot for both of it.
Pieces on ashamed. Pieces on controlling.
No longer.
All the timpani sound. Hey. Give them something, we are gonna give them something.
Come now.
Give them something.
Yes, sir. Yo, Norris.
Mr. Protestant is so dry. Throughout this precious time, you can't give up the fight. Pieces is the sound for life. Hard work, we don't need this.
They play artists, so I'm not too you. Nobody play nowadays, guys. Jack Radix.
Number one sound. Oh, see it. Now when we say goodbye to that sound, God.
Yo, say the boy Froggy, what show off is a shame. You think a joke thing? A joke now, not me thinking of. Teach them, I'm tell you this. Ready for you road in a God. Because you don't know the thing going on. Big up the whole of the people, you know, everybody, around him all the whole place. Teach them. But I don't know how old you be. I can't tell you your age because you kind of look old sometime and next time you look young. So I can't really study your age and them things. You understand? But I believe, Sally, me I going to play a segment older than you. The segment here, when the segment here run dance, you're not born yet. You understand? Now, me I going to teach them. Teach them. But I don't know if you ever hear about a place named House of Leo around one part. You hear about that place? Me I going to play some song older than you. And a regular song. But don't know the man them too, them not clean up them dub. Them can't really play them something here, you know. But can't play that juggling their fatherline. Yeah.
Lord of mercy. Hey, pieces in the pounding. Lord, we irate.
Yeah.
Then pay the rating.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Pieces is a sweet town. Place of relaxing, yeah. Yes, sweet verbal to me. I from the first time I heard pieces play, have me in my time.
If you don't know about House of Leo, you might not know about them something. You don't know about Harborview or some place. Here Malibu, rest in peace, man. Yeah.
Do it to them one more time. Once
yeah, me love them.
Before a thing sound like
yeah.
This is just do it to them one.
I can't play one Thriller You from them early 90s, them 90.
To all the pieces, girl.
Yeah.
Hear this.
She goes out to the man on the street.
Yeah, the juggling now. Yeah, the juggling.
Well, it's no.
But God got check my general. Echo mine, hear the echo, yeah.
Somebody told me, trouble in the dance hall. This is never play a lot, but when we spend time alone.
Why?
Hey, oh my, I'm supposed to know when something.
Pieces gonna just sing.
Yeah, the juggling, no man. Yeah, the juggling, yeah.
Been around the world and I pieces gonna kill us sound guy. I don't know when, I don't know, I don't know when, I don't know, I don't know when, I don't know, I don't,
yeah.
And I don't know why.
I used to want to talk about taking, but take them away. Take away the autumn leaves. Take away the summer breeze. But don't take away.
His name is Super Beagle. Yeah, just
take away the moon.
Them time, yeah. When you go Stone Love and Metro and them sound, if you hear that song, yeah, you're not, I'm 50 times it play around our house earlier. You know now.
I know it's late.
Say, I know you weary. I know you
planning, but don't need to weep. Still here we are pieces.
Teach them, I'm gonna test your age now and test your age paper now.
No, listen to the original one more time. It then go.
You know this?
Look here. Oh, we dying time again, not be a sound boy crying.
You know this?
And I can tell you by the way pieces are played tonight.
Ninja!
And I can tell you by the selection where pieces is playing. Oh Lord God knows.
What you want?
Long before a sound boy about to lose his life. What me tell you what you know? Just give me pause, make me clean me gun. You know see the boy I go on like this.
What's me test your age paper now? You remember the one, boy? You remember this?
Watch me now. Pieces again, man.
You remember this?
We get the new talk fish spread, the new talk fish spread. The pieces the man them the new talk fish spread, the new talk fish spread, the new talk fish spread. The pieces the new talk fish spread. Bumper red, the lyrics I come out on me head. Bumper red. What if that pieces again? Some boys get back. They shouldn't. Watch out, guy. That's why you're going there. You hear me now? Watch this original. Watch this. Woman will lotion, we no lotion. Woman will powder, we no powder. Woman will lotion, we no lotion.
Who we are kill?
Yes, pieces. You are the champion. The party man, the fuck of them tongue like iron happy.
Gobble it up, gobble it long, stick it down on pizza. I try to keep on playing, keep on dubbing down on it. It's something.
Yeah, move.
All love pieces, so put up on a man. Bang, bang, bang. All love pieces, so put up on a one.
Everybody a kill. What you who kill?
Killing body boy, we kill them for fun and killing a forgot.
One man don't take back talk, we shot pussy anytime seen. Pieces man in the round for shut up boy, we sleep up the door and I read so the man. Watch me the man. What? Watch your talk, mind be shut out your heart pieces. I'm the original bad boy, gonna no sit. I'm not dog out a bit hard. Make out a iron, you know, make out a middle of the weapon. Original 92 dangerous, so weapon.
DJ Black, can you see your favorite artist? But can't play one of them.
All Papa, don't come dance, I don't look a sympathetic. I can't this try. True, know my friend, different from with enemy, them we know my friend and pieces. And no stop tell them what's them oh, Corey, him now, matter them and them a chat. All of them a chat, we have a friend, the race long. Matter of them a wait till in the end, we are go see. Who and who go and condemn the fuck.
Ninja teeth but down.
Watch out. Watch out.
True man of bad men, wicked men, no take man feet off. Looking at me and more kill and destroy.
Level me. Teach them how much finger you have for your 10. A 10 you have. Go on, Bujo. Go on, Bujo. Let's start with that one.
Tomorrow will come and girl, I can't wait. It's an anniversary.
You see that rhythm, me about 70 songs me up on him. I now play 70 though. I know I use one rhythm for the segment. This is Bujo, We Any Wonder, Terry Gansey. What in the world again? I miss an anniversary.
It's our anniversary. Yeah, it's our anniversary.
Yo, Gargamel.
DJ.
I know it's the honey, it's the honey person. I am not I know, can't the boy of love. It's the program.
Let me see if you remember them. Teach them.
So I'll bring this Christ around me both off you. Yeah, so who is that on the line?
How this?
Take him out quick.
Yo.
And down all your pieces and show.
So when we do show, DJ.
Come
Watch the people and they know by you.
When you support more, you want me come do the video. I support more. Now over the bus that song, yeah. Peace, the one of the first one I play that song. God, but never like that.
Them on the stamina daddy, with the girl bikini. The pieces girl never fi run, come on.
Pull up again. What? What you know about that juggling here? What? So you know about that juggling here? What you say?
Them on the stamina daddy, with the girl bikini. The pieces girl never fi run, come on. Them on the stamina daddy, with the girl bikini. The pieces girl never fi run, come on. Who tell them? Cause if a Jackie, she a fi run when she fall. And if a Susie, she a.
You can't trick me. Somebody wait for you to dash out the whole of your back span, teach them show. For run go and say, okay. I saw him back steer. Them can't trick me was. I me work a craft market, me know for sell craft. Them can't trick me. But when me have to play is the artist here because other artists are fool artists from day one.
No mercy, pieces him. Not another word, we not gonna further. Pieces not talk sound fi get murder. Another word, don't like.
Yo. Teach them. Tell them this. Tell them, sir.
Know the world witness, lyrical witness. And yo, bright time, well done shower. And yo, you know, renegade crew. You know it's all of them pieces, oh. Well, a restaurant, I'm a create on the gal. But the
Devil. I go on a Soundwave studio yesterday. I see an artist who come in who rate we. As him see him give about 30 songs. I said, dog, we never did need so much song. But him say Pieces used to make him eat food and put on him pot every Thursday. Sometimes I don't even remember saying Thursday we used to follow that town in a line. But I have to play one I'm song over Yasaka, a good youth. Yo, Ronan!
Chill out. We are clean and some boy full of gotcha pieces. Them one miss and treat we like. Before we reach 13, we buy the little mug. In case you never know that we 38. Now we have all from price for certain boy can't budge.
Shabba!
Enter the information program. Watch this. Come on, this is a big murderer. How we kill pussy and ask question after. But the man not chester. Kick a boy in a him shaka. We are bossy gun and never pick up the shit.
Alright, teach them. Teach them. And I don't joke. I teach. I know. Teach them to make music and reach them. I swear. You ever don't teach them? You say music. And you say nothing in the new era. Just play the thing them from the old era. The era where the music was golden. You understand? Like the rhythm, I feel like say the rhythm, I want them rhythm there. From them time there. Me singer.
Oh, you say Pieces. We not spare and we not save let that means soul bottom and time by everybody for dead. Oh, so that deliverance with no apology. Easy Corey line, all of them will be a cool respect bigger than the whole world. We are the one that come.
Yeah, they hold up them sound good like them just spicy.
We don't delay, easy than you. Say, kill my dog and slay your cat. This is sad.
Read it,
to all the ladies in the house.
Come on.
Oh yes. You are giving me the best of you.
And now we are stop time.
Yeah.
And now we are stop time. Song.
Lately it seemed to be flip up and flop and cut up in all the dead shop.
Stop me at your fire. I go.
Pieces you've been through hills and valleys.
You can't shot one before we wake.
Stop me at you.
All original bad boy, Bobby a road wall.
Stop me at you.
I sing big gun a glisten like a looking glass.
Stop me at you.
Some boy killing a friend.
Bad bull book all the while. Don't bother make the pieces get vile. Froggy Rock tell them we lay out with mercy, we no get it. But turn them in a vulture. This is Mr. Merciless. Big Mac 11 race against my chest. Pieces tell them we talk already and we not talk again. Sound boy about that.
Oh gosh, man, gone to the boy, I'm getting in cast.
You remember that one from the artist of us?
Yes, the time in the line side.
And then we send them go on down a graveyard, your fraud. Gamble with your life or your charge. Oh God.
jump on.
I got full up that shit.
Tell them,
come now.
Oh, him a go like him bad and him wicked. This piece is and you will know him stupid. Oh, him a go like him merciless. Come
down the man, hey, sweat.
Tell them, say, who see knowledge get them with.
And a mercy, yeah. And a mercy. Pieces say you're bad all the while. And a mercy. Pieces you're wicked all the while.
Some sound.
Some sound. Impersonate pieces. But I'm living in a them
Quiet, yeah.
Once again we kill a sound boy. After all we play.
City Kochi, Angel Dula, Sponty Killer.
Only emptiness gets silent. A sound boy, look what you become. So we can feel a real sound boy and still don't change. It's alright to test pieces, cause pieces is the ruling sound world. Sound boy gonna die. Alright, so you
City Kochi, Dula, Sponty Killer.
Pieces the ruling sound. And we're playing lots of stuff.
And the longest dub this I can play. I'm half away from the DJ.
By the way of letting down. Some boy, tonight you're gonna die.
What you say?
Oh, the rhythm of the traffic cover. You never can. I'd like to be so cow.
Learn for me. Teach them. You read Bunty? You read Bunty? Don't because you sit the times on the read. Wait a second. We're not supposed to ask you that. We're not supposed to ask you that, right? Are you a DJ?
Pieces is the long story.
Are you a DJ?
Does the morning glory.
Bunty!
Well, kill or be killed. Let's see the talk until pieces gone pop.
You know,
Jesus Christ. Song!
After all that said and done, what do you think?
La, yeah, I said no. Hey boy. Hey boy.
That's not the time. But it's the music called Shock Attack. We're going to flick down enough sound while flat.
Isha, be ready, my guy.
Let it go pop with the soda. I'll be 10 out of mountain. I'll sweat the on and get mountain.
Teach them how much song we play. No.
We are giving them the strength.
Pull up. See that combination, yeah? Big up to the sound number of that combination here already. Because the two people them fall out, so you know them combination are goal.
That's not the time. But it's the music called Shock Attack. We're going to flick down enough sound.
Man, them said no more combination.
Let it go pop with the soda. I'll be 10 out of mountain. I'll sweat the on and get mountain. It's a boss. Stand up.
We are giving them the strength. Every time we play so now.
Watch ya!
I just want you to be.
Wine Wonder, Bujo. A boat are juggling my gun now. Alright.
All pieces.
Right, long as I spill, someone I can kill. You're going to
Jesus Christ.
A few questions, see?
Sir!
Just a few questions. Alright, first one. Yeah, you think you're done, they're gonna draft done? I don't think so. You think you're in the charter of it? I don't think so. You think you're only you don't have soul? I don't think so. You think you be the place of being silly things to see? I don't think so. You think you rock the people of rock? I don't think so. You think you're shot?
Let me get some song on the juggling, right? Let me get some song on the radio.
Alright. Yeah.
On the juggling.
Yo, pieces, top dog, set rules, break laws, represent what the lords of yeah. I can't alone I feel up the past.
When I see my cousin, I teach them all up in your eyebrow and I say, wait, that's really serious? Teach them.
What they are looking for, give me peace, I must be war. While things towards that pieces down, we bump them down.
Yo, I'm some boy. Yo, Canterbury and us. Gunshot over all like a again. When the bad man them they alright. No, yeah, ha. Who's the body big sound and a bow? That one. You see I select a day night too. That one. You know sure about me mind did I tell me that one. In place of the
when I talk, who don't like it, drop asleep.
Me show me what that you not like. It's a boy grab him girl body and bite it.
Me show me what that you not like it.
You grab your girl body and bite it.
Yo, boss.
If you not like pieces, choke off on the peg and if it's up to the team. I'm gonna wait for food and I want to live. Want it to make it, I want it. Cook out the food, D6 food. Want it to make it, I want it. Cook out the beef, cook out the beef. Want it to make it, I want it.
Love me. Music for days. Teach them. Oh, it's there. Me not playing a song yet, me dad. Me not playing a song yet. I don't want to hear more with him. I don't want to hear more with him. I don't want to hear more with him.
This is the sweetest sound, played all over town. This is the sweetest sound, played all over town. Hey, I love my friend, baby, I tell me so. Me will up on the rhythm and me nah go let go. In that sound, why me and you no friend?
Hear that style. Listen, surprise.
Baby, if you need me, call me on the phone line. You got my number if you ever want me on the love line.
No song can play that way, yeah.
There's so much about you. I love you.
Play the phone line.
This is so. Yeah, me see you with your cellular phone.
This is no more bam to pick what mighty pieces.
None of mercy.
Some sound boys nothing gonna load their feces.
None of mercy. Left alone to move them palm corners
to creases.
Listen.
It's gonna be going like Lloyd. The man called Corey. The man called Froggy. The man called Striker. The man called Japanese.
None of mercy.
Men from Montego Bay. Men from Salem. Men from Flanker. Men from Reavers.
None of mercy.
Men from Canterbury. Men from Green Pat.
None of mercy.
Run the track, bound to get alongside Nitty Gotcha and Angel Doodles.
Alright. Yeah.
I swear to God. Go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, father like design them something, alright? Hear what coach sing, him say.
Baby, if you need me, call me on the phone line. You got my number if you ever want me on the love line.
So from him, say phone line.
So much about you.
From him, say phone line.
This is so. Yeah, me see you with your cellular phone. Contact on 20,000 mode. Hey, tell them I move from a Sakori coming home. They got shit down in them love zone. Don't guys skin gonna tear. Elephant man, I'm a guy anywhere.
Well.
Farmer sound boy, he dead well, make it go so then pieces. I'm a sound anywhere.
I'm pieces, don't show.
Oh, fuck that. Nah.
What about you say? Most of the pieces are champion, I'm in the old man. Some pieces, I mean, tell me where you come from. Keep young and jump on.
I don't know why you listen for your out there, speak on them, boy. I lie. But when you talk about pieces and dubplate,
so me I tell you, me brethren, road boy living on a fun thing. You know the time for your laugh and a grin, you have to serious. So you are dealing a gun thing. Make up your mind, the fun boy, spin me brethren. Road boy living on a better road.
run them say song and carry. No, no punish though.
Oh yes, when we see I think not gonna this, but them days are come soon. I'm gonna never this the pieces. Already bro. So Rasta man a baby.
Sometimes me in a spirit and me just feel like stay where me there and shoot some sound with them there. Cause me a bad people, me not care. Guess what?
Yeah, you mean this is your best friend, him I can spit on them. Make some jump and sound boy, know them condemn. Right, your best friend, him I can spit on them. Make some jump and sound boy, know them.
Talk up!
12 from base of this, Quintin and Glamachi, what's the fuck party?
Again!
12 pass over the, them get nuts and Freddy, a rip off a donkey.
Again!
12 in a city, them see left the business and got set.
They did that.
12 from Black Cat, them get Stevie and Panda and your man a frog. 12 and Jamrock, them get tulips and put Iggy Band up top. Your man tell them for pints.
You know me shooting, man.
I
can't see you.
What pieces say? Yeah, you mean the pieces of best friend, him I can spit on them. Make some jump and sound boy, know them condemn. Like the best friend, him I can spit on them. Make some jump and sound boy, know them condemn.
You must get the message what me I deal with. Know what me I deal with, you know. Song for days. Teach them on the platform. It's serious. It's serious, not joke, not in that dub box here. I remember I'm not playing a song yet, the teacher, I'm not playing a song yet.
Now, in case you didn't know, you're listening to Pieces Sound with man like Froggy, Genius, and Father Lloyd. And
the quality.
Given endorsing the champion sound called Pieces Sound.
Yeah.
Run track. First
is a killer.
Yeah.
Frost is a murderer.
Yeah.
Pieces is the slaughterer. Hey. No, she never test the champion. I said no, a guy should never test Pieces sound.
Slaughter them. You're gonna murder them now.
One of the first sound for playing that song here.
Go. Rinsing dubs in head. No need to
teach them. What the artist on here? Bushman him name, right? Listen here.
Yeah, man. Big up man like Corey, Froggy, Step Up, Judah Buckley, Boss.
Yeah, breathe.
Hold on. Before him change him name, that mean anybody ever have it as a Bushman, you get it later.
Yeah, man. Big up man like Corey, Froggy, Step Up, Judah Buckley, Boss.
Go on. Hold there.
Since you have been slaughtering them, you're gonna murder them now.
Whoa.
Why? Rinsing dubs in head. No need to bow. No need to
play some song.
Give me that take a man.
What artist?
But how the bumbo club they come to? When the bar start, who them a go run to? Well, if they fire catch me, them get burnt to.
But tell them to clean up on the dub one on the forward on the platform and I joke thing. Remember this. Yo, DJ, tell them. So that oh, pieces them get clean.
What up? How I want, yeah, how I want. Do you know who you really is? You ever think of pieces them like it?
This is a big bad so.
Come on.
I'm every mash up those sounds from country and don't throw them over, make we sing. It's all over.
Jesus, peace. May I run through some song because I want teach them to know that this box, not just teach them, but the viewers out there in the wider world, because I want to teach them platform with almost 500,000 followers and subscribers. Don't forget, if you're watching this and you didn't subscribe, do the right thing. Do the right thing and subscribe. Do the right thing. And if I can put the contact number and the booking in for somewhere where you can click on it in the description and it's up there. So you know how the thing go. So before the sky get no more overcast than this, make me drop some more bomb in here.
And I mean it. Pieces is the sweetest sound.
Drop.
Yes, I mean it. Pieces gonna boom that down. All the while, them coming at the dance. I want like them big and them broad. But sound boy.
Yo, Mr. Me now waste the time.
Suki sung, suki sung, suki sung.
Me now waste the time.
Lord of mercy. That we in a competition and nothing but on them won't test we.
Also online.
But if they never test the pieces, you know them.
Yeah, man.
Jesus.
This is again all of them kid, man.
But
that can't take quick.
But
what was that? Them thick with it on. Them thick with it on. Assisting live and regular college man. What me tell them? Rude boy.
Watch ya.
What me tell them? Them tell them bad pan. Bad pieces.
That's Sonia.
Bad pieces. Bad pieces.
Stitch it.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 with bad like I got. Bad. Like I got them get. Man.
Tell them that is me. Shaggy water with the pieces comfy chant them. Me a what about chant them pieces? Say chant them. Anything test we a go chant them. Cross border line we eliminate them. He don't take me nothing against a fee murder them.
We can't touch a thing for the platform right now. Teach them.
Lord of His mercy.
Yeah.
Pieces in the party. All the gunman. Make all respect to all the gunman. Gunman.
Pieces, lead them 24/7 man. Cause some boy talk about shut talk. Let me tell you man, that kill original. Bunny.
I want them sip on pieces. I want them be about you. What tell them Penny Harry? Lord of His mercy. Say pieces in the party.
Watch out.
Make all respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone. Phenomenon 10.
Jesus Christ.
This is 9 more blood than them. Pieces soon we are gonna give them problem. Watch ya.
Watch ya.
Me all
never sex, no but dog. Well up on the watch a man. Clean front. Oh, tell them say watch a man.
Oh God.
Oh yes. Oh, tell the apprentice watch a. You see the bowing, long time it fell down. All the girls are mad at the game is fun.
Song in the car, joy.
You know why? This is the motto. Every I'm going to be says. Skip a man and stay, man and jump a man and run. Oh man, your body, I tell you what time like this sun. Man, I watch a man and people you are run things this year. So your body ready?
Watch it, mix.
This is a girl, this is a woman. And from Unu.
No, sir. How much time like? I'm not playing now. You don't know now, man, I will link, man. No thing going on, man. All mobile people, them lucky in. Now, we tell him, say, we're going to give him a couple of hours of dub. Because him dubplate showcase, and him say, him don't want a new song. Him just want song from the 90s. So even if we have 10 hours dubplate, I couldn't play it today. That's why it's fine. Even if we have 10 quick cook dubplate, I couldn't play it today. I have to wait for the regular time then where we are shell the regular spot them. But him said 90s juggling, and me say, that you go.
Put him on the sizzler, Colin just said we know. You know me, I should have said something like Carlo. PCs are the sizzler, so that's enough.
Listen to the young voice.
Come on, all I want is righteousness, so jump on to the beast right now. I'm still the one. Yeah. Emperor Celeste.
Teach them, listen to the young voice. Hear that style, yeah?
Ancient memories come on into my soul.
It's a
Rastafari, it's true, so that seems so pure.
Obvious.
Ancient memories.
I play that song from me away, khaki clothes, I go school as 14-year-old. So if you look for the racial things, teach them, you can tell you.
I tell them, I've been here all day of my life. Where's good and where I be? When the sizzler Colin just said we know. You know me, I should have said something like Carlo. PCs are the sizzler, so that's enough. I will come to the base.
How much hour I got teach them?
All I want is righteousness, so jump on to the base right now. I'm still the one.
So me have 50. Alright.
Emperor Celeste.
But tell you, you know, hear me dub them.
Say ancient memories come on into my soul.
We come for build a reputation in the music when the man them say, yo, pieces dub them clean and nice, see, man.
Memories come on.
The selector boy was saying me and Bad General as an artist and Froggy as a selector. I'm bad, sir. Multi-talented, because
pieces that tell them I've been here all days of my life. Where's good and where I be holding my side.
It's a song will say,
who was the life? So much just suppress them up if you're with time. Name for them, devil, got enough. Lava! Yeah, sizzler comment to that. Hey, original Nazarene, go touch them in a Babylon again. Hey,
sizzler from the 90s.
Yeah, being to the one, them trial and trend. We got judgment while we're watching all the mountain streams. Rushing.
I want to go when we drive up the beast and pull up next to teach them and look and say, oh, that's another vehicle. Let me say, teach them, move.
When tell them come true, the pieces that come true. Take the train line and go circle, see if you want to look the boy blue. And just scratch him skull too. Him mother and him father work from mud voodoo. Make me kill one, take pieces that kill two. Might as well be just how the
Yes, son!
Them me worry.
Tell them.
Seems to me no matter who I kill them, say the next one come challenge me. And in a minute pieces is alright. We get faith in the cemetery.
I'm sorry for this.
No better send them come, make we turn them the hunger. Junior cat.
If you notice me not play no foundation dubplate and everything, I'm just play juggling, you know. I play rhythm me I play from because I'm not playing a single song yet, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Oh, you Mr. Merciless.
My cousin.
Sing. Hey, Mr. Madden, beg your park up the earth.
Pull up.
White pants.
Lord of mercy.
Me gun gonna have them for dinner and lunch. I am Mr. Merciless. Pieces. Sing. Hey, Mr. Madden, beg your park up the earth. Boy, I got dead with me tongue with blood thirst. So them a say that them not pet nor the nurse. I know them a got
Father, like, tell them.
Out first. Who you think you is or what you trying to prove?
This the way I say 90s juggling and 90s artists.
Boy, you're straight.
You remember this?
Time in the town now. Well, it's scary.
So when you
Give we guns, get we guns. Give we guns, gunshot in a tons. Give we guns, get we guns. Black talent, I made them speak. Pieces, killer son boy, let me get a fuck you. Let me get a for all the yacht group. All the contraband, them have to pick them up too. Passy, you know what you can do. So from you a killer son boy, can I get a fuck you? Let me get a
It make my brain preserve.
Artists from 90s. Come now.
Pieces I say, smoke your head, your tongues and praise. You make me think constructive and braver. Because it was found on King Solomon's grave. It was the wisest man in his days. Oh, you say I'm serious when I make a talk. Ganja me smoke and not pour. I will never drink the rum quarry nor heat pork. I go sailing on this white man boat. I always ready, hand me the chronic. Me and some preserve, we don't have next tonic.
But now it's not a long song. So far, I'm going to load up your hard drive, make a thing pop up and say, warning, you're running out of space.
Some boy, you're going to do that bloodstain time. Yeah, man, assassin, I need to cut it. What you say, man? Yeah, man, stop the blood face, man. Yo, beast of the blood class.
The man can't make the mean face when he hear the band with him, man. I sound good for them system, you see.
I know.
Come now.
If I know who them run come this, I talk about them 9 welcome and Chris pieces, cause we no feel. Man a bad man. Man a bad man sound. We're certain so I
forward for play enough different artists.
Cause them no find out yet.
A variety of artists.
Man a bad man a bad. Let them know say we lock on top on pile up.
How this?
Time, he murder any legal sound anytime. This is a murdering moment. Yow yow. PC sound is killing a sound. It's not like any other come around sound.
Yeah, my son, them sound.
This is a murder sound, and then it happens.
I'm gonna go for all 1998 something. All 98 something. All 98 something. All 98 something.
Well, right now, here I go.
Right, remember.
Yo, them and them with them when I gun just bust it up now.
Hey, yo, pieces.
Touch up.
Well, right now, here I go. Look. Yo, them and them with them when I gun just bust it up.
I'm going over country over something. I'm going over country over something.
Give them time of the mark of this.
Going over country.
Juvis say no quiet this, but me now left me head back careless. So I would run that risk, never miss.
You know what history I go on where you never did know. You interview him, I'm watch the interview. And him give him respect and something, but him forget a part of the story. See, a father lied and pieces, so bring him forward at Kingston. The artist here. When we bring him to Kingston, him don't even know what the stop sign they are for. He don't know nothing about over here. So see me, huh?
Pieces, they're talking about.
How are you?
Whosoever want work on pieces, kill bomba will be for the night done. Whosoever want work on pieces, lock them up before the night done. Pieces where you get it from your win a good time. I want some wild punch. Haskell 45.
Juggle you!
Punches. Matter bragging Bobby. So me go bust me big gun until me fingers them sore. Train and make it and when me done them get four. So me skin a them and cut them throat to make sure. Don't call me name no more. No, what a predicament pussy get themselves in.
Everyone say it's a SLR thing and drive past and charting. And a run back thing. So pieces
on the line.
Run for no time for war. We ready for pieces wise to your SLR. We ready for I for shooting in the car.
Wait. I'll be easy for the rhythm there. A joke now in my thing, you know. It's serious, me, I tell you. The boss said, 90s juggling. I say, all right then. Me I skip through, remember me I skim through because since we rise back the sound amount of song voice, I don't want none of the new thing them leak out in the thing. So we are go, as the rules go, we are said 90s juggling. For your 90s sound, it's serious, but they ever reach the say it for the line. Look how the box. Listen, man.
So, Mr. Pieces,
it's serious.
The whole Mobile, the whole Jamaica, the whole world. Sure. You see me, I say, because some boy, this the pattern, you see me, I say, we have the biggest weapon.
You ready now?
Pop it off and shut it off.
Check that rhythm, man.
Rock it off. You see me, I say, and again, I say, I need to cock it off. You see me, I say, all right.
So that's the core. I want to listen to that.
So that's the whole revolution family. Yes?
I mean, fast the whole face. Black down to the word. Alright. Oh, believe me, them sound they grieve me. This sound pieces and all you that be easy. Try to let them know that is that to roll. I be a black blunt and black talent go rich show. Kill them slow. Oh, you see me guns them on a front.
Yeah. Whoa, 90s or so. What remember this?
With the Bible, number one. And with the Bible, pieces of the top. And with the Bible, number
I'm gonna play that version. Beat them up. I'm gonna play that version and beat them up.
Some boy already.
Sweetest little sound.
I'm gonna play that version and beat them up.
Mr. Sly, Red Rose, Pieces. No. Everybody's calling your name. Watching every move that you make. Oh, that is just a part of a life's game. Even though you
teach them, I'm gonna play an artist, but so we rate the artist, yeah. I wanna hear an artist when you say you rate. Hear him sound them time.
Oh me, oh my, ask them this. Should we say how many morning wanna get up and pray? Thank Father God to see a shining day. Not one, everybody shout it hooray. Every man who want go feed them all the way, but cool. Who no fish up it? What if a sound a play button? Them a false prophet. Them all the blade but we hold the angle somehow. Good must conquer evil. So everybody look and listen. Dub in a way and well shine and a kiss.
We're telling about son. We're telling about son. So stitch here.
Pieces. Watch this.
Yeah, that's
tell the pieces. Pieces. Stick you look and ask them this.
Tell them.
Act like this on pieces, my star. Jump up in the air. Light up with no that clear the way. Move pussy will give good.
Hey, the shiny blood stop it, everyone. I real original bad boy. Jesus Christ. I sing.
Say.
Can't cheat me friend, me not joke, me not love. Enough time man make me some of the earth start. Tell me big 45 pop off. Pussy can't talk. Whoa yo. Have me gun in on me and me not joke, me not play. I will shot you and come your night come DJ.
My song them scatter all both.
Can't no side of my night again. Then more be a man ball. Whoa yo. Pussy life gone down the drain. We done this and we make people feel pain. Whoa yo.
What do I hear more come here? Like how this is that play. Like how this is that play. Edit back in.
So we're not back from the war at all. No war. Yo, pieces we take it for joke for sales, pension, la fall. Gunshot to overall.
Yeah, so edit back in.
On all wall. I'm meant to the talk, my chat about. Original bad man, my chat about. Corey, Froggy, ups and downs and downs of other pieces. Must be a bad man.
Jaja God.
New York.
Afraid of that little bassline there.
Pussy them I want war with.
Turn on the bass.
Corey, they want war with.
Turn on the
So
bass.
the cabra said, hey, well anything for that, make it happen and done. We have a back from the boy. Back from the boy.
It's a bad man
for them, but none of bad man for this. We now back from the boy. Pieces. Anything for that, make it happen and done. We have a back from the boy. Back from the boy. Bad man for them, but none of bad man for this. We now back from the boy. To the see man affect some blood, yes, and big man a chicken. But the pussy can't different with no eye back of him. We back with one hour.
A while ago the bassline drop and street light get cut off and bass it go on.
Extremely fast, look at the people.
Every light round a cash up park them.
Now who we gonna take them blame for all this? Who we gonna take them blame for all that? We broke out, they do them now they coke and crack.
Some of them get back on the juggling there.
Oh man, bad. Make man a put them made and I need to man frack. The arm so speak, people say it's fist. That's why we all out, Bugari. We know that the arm so sick. Pieces of the girl them with the sexy rhythm.
Now become gonna set a standard and a pace up.
No mercy. Wicked men from Wild bunch boy don't run like food punch.
Quick cook.
No, you dead your mother bad pieces. Name your car loose argument Peter. Long story ball boy. You see me like compose up like a wall. You head in a gully pole. No jai come on. You coulda big or small. Coulda long or tall.
Yeah.
Pieces of the prime. Boy broke and face you out of the pieces.
Remember, say.
Pieces them a go tired fi see your face. Comfortable when them a fight for your space. Them a chat behind your back, that not go put them no pay. Boy thinking about dodge in front of me. Pieces of boy right and face in your outer order. Jump up and say, but him a murder killer.
Pull up there. Pull up there. Read him, me say. I read him, me say. Here I go right now. I don't know what nothing else, you know. A piece is a play. Read him.
This is a bad sound, you can't bad it up. Rude boy sound, you can't rude it up.
I'm going to play a couple more rhythm after this and then feel it out. And then we just set it and make everybody follow the journey.
This is Unified.
Ready again.
No.
Listen out, dub sound. Show this. Song.
This is a kill sound.
Song.
Hey, yes.
Song.
For you, I'll give a lot of song. And every request like under the no other one.
The pictures are untouchable.
Well,
pictures.
Pieces. Tell them. What are them? What are them? Some waiting for a problem. When we live in a church to this
Hey, Miller time, alright. Hey, prostitutes, we rock us sports.
Yo, Shop, tell them. Come on.
Swing ding 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 ding. Pop this up, beat it in the body, but something but about time. Swing ding 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 ding.
Yo, me don't know about nobody else, but you see anybody talk tough, me tell them.
Them say war, them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Since a war them forever. Black and fling, clap this your neighbor. Clap that spin, so tell them whatever. War them a bring.
Learn for me. But stay around and teach them place. On a quick cook HQ and shoot from where me there to where them there. Me don't know where them there, but me a shoot a scatter shot. Anybody catch it, catch.
Alright.
Quick, come tell them.
We tell some one I them I play pieces and make we pop up them try it. Lily sound boy them I and them never wait until.
Listen to Anthony B.
Pieces are hype them I play pieces and make we pop up them try it. Lily sound boy them I and
teach them yeah.
Them bunch of fruits right. Well them your pieces name watch them a fly like a dove. Couldn't believe how big fights no. Here pieces name and can't arrest. Couldn't believe a big bad bass and they say put in on we all sight them a can. Couldn't believe it was made from me da. Me a fast aside the head in the barrow. Pieces just murder killer man charo. Hype them a hype. Play pieces and make it pop up. Them try it. Billy sound boy them a.
Mr. Sunday after this me then a joke. Yeah.
Play pieces and make it pop up.
Enough sound boy and know that juggling here. That double and name pieces, hear the style I teach them.
Oh, goes! This is on them goes, man.
Watch out!
Up on them up every day violence. I don't know about badness, pushing up themselves. Defend the pure madness. Our pieces, we not got sound and dagger. Bust it up from we got bust it up. Sound got to run them perpetrate violence. You know about badness, pushing up themselves.
When me talk, anybody wanna like it, can't come defend it. And that me say what me say.
Pieces, talk when it comes next. Try and jump in at them chest and miss the pound. Well, down about sick. Well, this is the big bad mighty pieces, and some guys nothing than crabs. Then I'm gonna burn some motherfucking ash.
But don't talk, I'm gonna talk.
No, that guy talk about him sign piece. Any sign me, I sign a piece of board because the guy piece in a haste. Leave no trace. And I'm also so tell the guy to evacuate. And I'm also easy Corey. And I'm also the one FROGGY. And the mother from Moby, you call him Canterbury, Ceiling, Planka. And I'm also
take out back my sound and read.
I wanna make you stand for pieces. Talk when it comes next. Try and jump in on them chest. Mr. Pound, well, come and do your next best. Me hand your distress, me lay you dress. Hustle, man, sometimes. Not a mouse. Yeah, you know pieces. Score, striker, FROGGY.
They saw the witch until me eye them a bleed. If me can't get it, can you well the pieces I leave? Alaska on the sun that smoke them by the trees. Hand me the beat because you are the priest. Babylon swell me beat and not swallow me like bees. But now let me stick the drop of the party seed. When we the beat I have a personal creed. I chose on the rock, so get me them please. Me ask, who's gonna be my sponsor? Take off me arguments with them.
Oh, sir. Song for days. Hear me now. I feel like drop a bomb. Ah, here one. Sure. Hey, see you. But I really want. But I really. Alright.
Pieces. Right now, musical ignorant with the car pillion murder, some jump and sound boy, the smoke about the swamp.
The artist our joy from Moby and bring come a town, come Lego.
Froggy, big yourself. You man who not Terry can see it, don't know our sound. Run check out the boy.
Hear that rhythm, yeah.
Pieces sound. Champion sound. Lockdown.
Listen rhythm, teach them.
Well, I say PP everywhere, pieces, PP everywhere. But I'm a tall, we no left for your cellar. Kill them not the war, pieces, kill them not the war. Shot them not the dance and murder them in them car. But this is where you man, I'm in no care where you live. Violate pieces.
No man said the rhythm sound so good for them sound, them can't believe.
Pieces, yeah, man.
You see that song, yeah?
On go.
Pieces.
We young, we wanna gun. Then all with wanna gun. We come to kill you, then in a gun, and we alone come. You ever wanna gun? You ever wanna gun? Swallow me clocks. Like when the dog a solid bone a ground. Look how the girl hot. And now the pussy fat. Boy, you shot no amount of that. We have the city lock. Pieces, most wanted.
When you talk about own a gun, what's in them tell them what kind of gun we attack? Teach them what kind of gun we talk.
Gun. So the camera said, we are one of the big gun the where we lock us Monday, Tuesday, right back till Wednesday. We load the clip back Thursday, and just Friday and Saturday. Pussy one must bury Sunday. We are one of the big gun the where we lock us Monday, Tuesday, right back till Wednesday. Load up the clip back Thursday, and
we tell them so we have the gun that we bust from Monday to Friday. Saturday we nobody use the same gun, we take a different gun. Sunday we put on that one and just go some boom and irks again and rise it back some different thing. Them say, oh, I saw pieces of guns for years. Me say don't ramp with that sound that one name pieces. You see when you see that sound that pull up.
I so brought it, gun we have over them. Pieces sound a sick.
So we ready to go left of them anyway. And the same thing.
Yo.
The pieces just murder food in the alley. With the honey natural.
Yo, teach them.
With soda confront man that's right.
Teach them, learn this. When you hear we are talk about gun and no joke thing. When you see father line and Froggy road and a joke thing, remember?
Well, me say pieces, no left them machine too far. We have to ready when they push them ready for war. Batman not left, and keep Batman this yard. We don't care the so they are. Pieces sound, no left them go play too far. We have to ready when they pound them ready for war. Batman not left, and keep Batman this yard. Could not care the so they.
Any boy will see we are with things them. I'm gonna call the feds, but can't tell you something, who know?
Chatty mouth always cause a disaster. Look where some time happen after. Innocent so that like they chew him friend or informer. But that cannot reach a gangster. PCC and blind. We here and there.
Anyway, brain wine fly.
I said no, sir.
I said, boy, this me and me big gun. Peace is no one a long story. Flay, black blood, gun no fling rock. Your this piece is your life is history. This way, and we big gun on the street.
Teach them. They said me for keep it in the 90s, but me feel jumpy because my name Froggy, so me just I go jump here, man. I say,
pieces, son. When we lift each chopper, I circle them sound every.
I never need it still. I never need for going at the new segment in a no juggling. You know what I mean? But that juggling and him gun juggling with half a plate. Big up everybody who know music. I see that sound here on them pieces. Listen me. Me I play a sound here from me a little youth. 14 to be exact. In my khaki clothes I go to school, them say youth. Oh, you know what selector you want to. I say I don't really know nothing else. And music I love. I love music from my band. The way I love music, I do everything in our music. I play music, I sing music, I build rhythm for music, I mix music as engineer. I do produce music, I everything, I shoot all music video. We all love music. But let me tell you something. You see that sound from Mobile? I have to play them songs before I check out. Big up everybody, I say. The sound is back on the road. It's going to be a, hey, it's going to be a serious thing, a piece of sound. I mean, a joke thing in a quick. See?
Oh na. Oh na.
I'm going to run joke with that sound here.
Oh my gosh. Yo, with over millions and millions of sounds in the world.
I'm not run a joke.
I'm so proud. Pieces can play for me anytime.
Teach them, I'm not run a joke.
Hey, we kill the song worldwide. Yeah.
Why?
What you want me to do, pieces sound. Kill another drum friend for you.
Teach them how we are rampant, boy. Teach them. But tell you to tell them, say, me say, Pieces is black.
Pieces is ruling. Pieces is a stepping up.
Before me left.
Pieces stepping up.
Before me left.
Pieces is a stepping up.
Tonight.
Pieces is rolling. Pieces is ruling.
Before me lift up from Boya. Teach them.
Pieces is a stepping up. Pieces stepping up.
Before me lift up.
Pieces is a stepping up.
I'll be so
Pieces is rolling.
Teach them zoom in and catch that one. Mama can't sell it, go get the singer as a singer. No boy touch. Done.
Pieces are gonna murder some. And it's on violate.
You know me not let out everything pan. You know me not let out everything pan or something, yeah? But teacher me have a one rhythm I want to play. And you know why I want to play that rhythm, yeah? Because that rhythm, yeah, was created by Stone Love them. Big up Father Paul, big up the whole team from the original day. No, not that. I think one name, the Stone Love Turbo Punani rhythm. And the reason why I love that rhythm, because Pieces have some bombs. And it's from the 90s also, you know? So here we go on. This is that dubplate here untouchable, but nobody not to touch them something here, you know. We anyone now, Buju Banton, Capleton. What?
Yo!
Yeah.
Pieces! We keep it on Buju Banton, we anyone now. Say some rude boy. X amount.
Yeah. I think your mother, when I tell you what you might be people a big thing now. We are the one about the girl and panda man. Jesus Christ.
Get your last job.
I think your mother, I wonder. Just stop me up, Papa.
Now he's the Capleton, you have said it all. No need I say more. Rhythm is upon it. Sanchez, when I leave you out, I heard the birthday was lovely.
You already my clap for sound, I swear.
Pieces sound.
Teach them.
Just now. It's a little story about life. Pieces play a sound, they have to die. A lot of people ask the questions, why? Some sounds wanna go for so much more before they really learn about life's score. The subject is not to be ignored. Gargamel, I don't wanna be the one to tell you how it's gotta be. Pieces sound. Living is the only way. I want that sound to see.
You want to butcher them sound?
Sound to see.
Pussy hole. Not true them, say them a guinea gun mount. Them a gun back, them only get the gun from us and a go on like them bad. Say them a guinea gun mount, them a gun back. Them get the gun from us and a go on like them. Listen, watch the boy a pose up with the eagle. And it belong to the Dan from jungle. Watch the boy a pose up with the Luca. And it belong to the Dan from Warwicker. Watch the boy a pose with the Magnum. Buck up in a pieces and have run up and down. Tar up in a win a fire pipe gun. Sharagamuffin come from my shit down. So we don't wonder when this thing is done. Come.
You've gotta live and learn.
This is we anyone that Buju Banton and Capleton.
Sound boy before your bridge is burned.
Teach them here.
You've gotta live and learn.
Capleton.
Yeah, pieces tell them say watch it. We don't know coffin and prepare to die. Who right again the pieces they try to die. Burn them. Yeah.
Buju again.
This is what I can't have a say. Somebody boy named Bossy. Lord, out of controversy. We ain't wanna get Buju again. Yeah, nah, just say the foot and body line. Still I say I know. Buju. How we rule, we want, we come first and dig it up. Let me hear the Rick Guitarus. We rule, we want. Buju again. Things are reported, they can't tell me about it in the machine. Forces to receive zeros, we have to shot them tonight. Have to shot us out, so we say, I did was it fight. Zeros, we have to kill.
1993 when Beanie and Bunty in the Heights of War, I tell you something. We carry them round a Jaro studio and go voice a combination and Jaro couldn't get it. That's the power we are talking about. Here ya.
I want to fall away and everybody wanna be.
Beanie started.
I said Anne-Marie and Mildred, push me party leg between me girlfriend leg. I said Anne-Marie and Mildred, both girl me skin out in the bed nearly. Then I allow to man you see you hold me up design for my own. Yeah, hear me? Watch your home and have it mercy. All pieces, girl.
Yeah, Mr. 94.
All away and everybody wanna be.
Ah, yes, sir.
Pieces.
Splice.
I said Anne-Marie and Mildred, push me party leg between me girlfriend leg. I said Anne-Marie and Mildred, first girl me skin out in the bed nearly. Then I allow to man you see you hold me up design for my own down design pneumatic corner. Woman you see you hold me up.
Here born to kill a young voice. Wait.
And Paula, where them love me for? Pieces a king I power. Where them love me for? Chewing up for a Martia. Where them love me for? Chewing a go wine Peter. Where them love? Chewing a go wine Panteva. Where them love me for? Chewing up for white Santa. I sing when you see you hold me up.
Here young killer.
My hood don't decide pneumatic corner.
I'm about to the molest and play with the wrong toy. Shot in your face and some of that dead.
To the map, I'm going to up on the left. The KJ, me what to stand. You know what I'm saying? Who do not hear? Here where this a pieces. Here
this a sound man.
Original bad boy, go man and watch out. All of it. You come and tell them. What's it? The very first time the pieces saw you pretty brown eyes. You said hello and he said I. Right there in
sound systems on the normal queues at 2026. Now subscribe for something we can clean up on the dub them. Swear. It not sound good in other time I wanna play fridge. Some fry like on a fry fish.
Oh man a stamping. When pieces man them see you. All of them man them out I would them a go crazy for you a stamping. When no play man them a buck up all man.
Yeah, all of that.
Pieces.
You remember?
You know, pouching in Miss Skill and Berry one broke pieces body. They died till he could get it right on from way. Miss Skill and Berry one broke pieces.
Yeah.
I'm about 50L. Easy line, Corey, big at the time. All pieces better, you tell them tolerance. Girls, and in the ear, jump up and see
Jesus. Hear me now teach them. A joke now in it's serious. Teach them, okay? Father Lord, I'm going to give him a couple and touch up before the live done, car. I'm not play. Teach them what sweet. You know what I'm saying? But know you think to yourself, say, so much song them have? No. Them bad for you. Teach them you never did know. You have an idea, but you really never did know. I'm going to try convincing them, but I make you hear some song, you know. So when you post that something, you know, and put it out there, the people them can say, yes. Them bad for you in a quick cook. Them bad. Quick cook. I can touch some and let it. Teach them. And let it.
Yeah, this is our career English casual wear. Anything coming here is dead. Watch it now. Little John. You're the wickedest thing on the road. Sing it out.
Yes, coach.
Break them on.
Pieces away. Oh, yeah.
Teach them.
This is them there with them gun in the man. This is there with them gun in the man. Yeah. This is there with them gun in the man.
Quick cook a thing called Little John alone.
With them gun in the
man.
Yeah.
Oh, and more. What them on the pieces they do every dance. So we keep on making get curfew. Just one more. What them on the pieces they do every session where we keep Little John. Now with them helicopter in the air. Bright light a shine around. Half it is
time. You know why you song? Line
up. All
no pussy on the corner. Me say, no me ya want. No me ease up our fender. I make we challenge one. All the hypocrite up on the side. Who know we attack? Left this inspector. Make me challenge. Now all of my read up, all of my jump up, all of my pick up, and all of my go on. Fuck up in a pieces. Yeah,
yeah. Every sound has a right to decide their own destiny. Yes, yes. And in this judgment there is no partiality. Capleton.
This is Wayne Wonder, Capleton.
We fight this little struggle. Yeah. And this is the only way we shall overcome this struggle. Capleton.
I miss a why some town boys.
Come and tell the boy that said it got to stop it.
Come on.
Come on, no side can't pieces, no free run. No me Corey back the door or the gun. Say like pop out the gun, one leap of blood I go. X amount of people die I go. Man think of be a proper shot. Remember we take it. Yes.
Remember. We tell them harder. Come on, but if you know what we prepare for blood run. Harder. Come on, but if you know what we prepare for blood. Ingredients thing we only want to be so bad.
A song will tremble.
Teach them.
Everyone is gonna love it. Yes. No cap test. Pieces. Sure. Run it out. When the pieces plays,
teach them.
The sound boy tremble. The sound boy tremble.
Celestia, jump.
Everyone is gonna love this. You will never forget this. Pieces, keeping united.
Teach them. Teach them. I can play a song, you know. All them songs, you know. The reason why I can't play them with so much confidence, because you can't get them again, you know. So all in the sound just have been like how much song you have, you know, them are gone, you know. And when you go to market and move around everything where you see, you can't find them here. This gone. This. I'm going to show you something said gone.
Yeah.
Tell them to find this up, man.
That's what talk without waste. Run it. Pieces, don't worry.
Tell them to find them.
Don't worry, no. No. Teach them. Oh me, oh my.
Jesus.
Yeah. Nothing talk without waste. Nothing talk without waste. Run it. Pieces, don't worry.
Teach them when they have how much hour gone.
Don't worry.
You know you have to trim and shave it.
No.
But see ya. Come.
Oh me, oh my. The DB song bound to die. Oh.
Teach them the way me have song. If you not tell me say, cut it, me not have to play no. But me I gonna show you something. Listen me now. When I talk about song, you have to know this. From the day I play, I'm playing a Gregory Isaac Fatherline. I'm gonna play one. Quick cook, tell them to touch this.
Go through the gate and go pay your dollar bill.
God damn it! John, hey, song there for days, not you what? Allow me to tell? I'm gonna play one more legend what pass. Yo, Jimmy Riley, sing!
Look out, sound boy. It's gonna be rough. Look out, sound boy.
I'm sure I'm serious.
It's gonna be tough. You're gonna feel it.
I see you interview them, Brian and Tony Gold. And a whole heap of sound of them pan dub, a little bit of sound of them pan dub. I'm here one.
I wasn't expecting this.
No, but now I make a trick me teach them. No, you're not going to tell me if I stop playing. But I have another song I want to play before I left. Because Father Light said, mission is there to accomplish, so we just have to do the right thing. No name now call, because nobody know what trouble me. I mean, I want to look like everywhere me go, me cause trouble. But that general, my name, you know me thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see you? You think it's easy? Teach them. Listen me. After that rhythm, outside.
Things set up a bright and leave so that you see it. Step cross. See that?
Yeah.
Oh no! yeah. Oh, yeah.
Teach them what?
On my way up to Mobley. This is sound, yeah, you think set up a bright and leave it so that you see it. Step wrong.
Teach them where's the song?
See that?
Song? Jesus Christ.
Oh no!
Oh, the line, a big sound we have, boy. Watch ya. We sing.
On my way up to Mobley.
Teach them, let me see if I can surprise you.
Hear this. Can this be really true? Oh, how I wish I had you.
Let me see if I can surprise the boss.
I wonder what the guys have said to you.
Wait.
Hey, honey, I seriously hope what they're saying is.
Now, don't sound bad, teach them system. Jesus Christ.
Hope they tell you you've got heaven in you.
No, but not like that, no.
Say you're a blessing to realize.
Watch out, quick, watch out.
Pieces play the sweetest.
Quick, watch out. Quick, watch out.
In murder time.
Come!
There are lots of sounds in life.
Jesus.
Some that you may not like. You could be living in
business. Well, it's a back of fear. Whoa, hot. Taurus Ryle representing pieces. Boy, disrespect can get gone down. Hey, beware. Pieces sound sharp. Any boy give it at them, I go get gunshot. Beware.
Wait now.
Pieces
untouchable. We are the one that Terry Gansi, Buju Banton, untouchable. Try this and then. Yeah.
So let me take you on a sensi ride. All around the world.
Why what a sound bad, man? Jesus Christ.
So let me take you on a sensi ride.
We represent for the countryside.
Minds go twirl.
Teach them. From Mobile.
This is a chant. Don't be my transplant. Healing on the nature.
No, I
eat the fun swat. I am a chant. Herb in my transplant.
Healing of
the nation. I'm not eat the world one.
Level. I don't know what happened, but it happened. It a try to tell me that time, so I'm going to play that one.
Just swing. Run it original bad boy, anything tested. Pieces original road boy. Not I can finish. Anything.
Cobra upon it.
Bad man style. This is the Cobra say we chase them crazy open out of the land. Big gun.
Pull up. Yeah. Yo, that bass, yeah. You need to get a little price for the small sound with the body space. Now, be for tell the people, don't forget, it's Teach Them, it's Dubplate Showcase, it's Pieces Sound from Mobile, Jamaica. You know what I mean? Back in town and everything good. Road hot again. Multi talented select around it. Artist, engineer, everything. You know me, stay, me not here. And don't forget for all bookings, you know what I mean? You just contact 407-924-6852. Link me. As a matter of fact, Teach Them is going to put all of that on the screen and in the description. So, I don't know the thing. How much hours? Give them about 2 hours, a little bit, right? 2.5. All right, that good. No, that good. That good. So every sound of feed I got 3 hours for beat me, I know. I saw it go, it's serious. We just set a pace and set a thing. And you don't know me thing going nice. Enough respect and honor Teach Them, enough respect Quick Cook for providing the HQ as always. Because you don't know how somebody me Teach Them interview for Bada General. And forward can do Pieces premiere right here, so. So it come like every time when I stamp in a Jamaica and them say, where will you be going? I'm saying, over Quick Cook HQ, me I go hold it in the car. Yes, sir, right, that's how we have, you know what I mean? Big up my artist, was and the whole team up, come check in. Everybody enough respect. Teach Them. Salute, you know what I mean? Salute, madam.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.